Are you the jury?
Hello.
No, family.
Hey. Okay, you just ignore me.
Family of who?
Punk.
The accused. You know what?
What?
One more. You got one more time. One more time.
One more time for what?
Okay.
You know, I think we should all sing a song.
Itsy bitsy
Spider
spider.
went up the water spout.
Down came the rain,
and
the spider
washed.
died.
Oh, okay.
What?
Rain kills
Guys,
spiders.
we can't make it weird, okay? That's a little...
Hey, you asked for a fucking song. We give you a song.
Well, I asked for a normal song, not a weird-ass fucking tune, you know? Like, I need something...
I'm a little
something...
teapot, short and stout.
Here is my handle. Here is my spout.
My spout.
How's that go for you?
Catch me as a community.
One day I'll be able to afford a kettle. I drink out the river.
What the fuck you said about a river? What?
Oh, speaking of river, the canoe race
shit.
tomorrow. I think I'm gonna lose again because I lost the first one because I broke my arm. It's just when you come out of 01 Gila, that first drop, it's something else.
It's not there. It's the one up here in the Kamasa River.
Ah, okay. I thought you were gonna do the Suicide Falls again. Oh man. I was like, I'm gonna
I'm
win.
gonna
I'm gonna lose.
throw myself down and down.
Yeah, I got a couple of bandages and some bourbon. I'm down to.
I've made the paddle 3 times now. It's
okay.
not,
Okay.
Yeah. So when you drop right there by oh shit, where's it at?
Can I ride?
Butcher's Creek. When you come across those falls right there by Butcher's Creek, you get thrown from the boat, but you don't hurt yourself.
Fucking cherry might break this shit.
What?
Go.
Canoeing is a pastime of mine.
Chips, be nice.
Oh, we're coming through the
I ain't
swamp.
being
That's
nice.
nice.
Oh shit.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Yeah, it's a good run. It's a good little race.
Oh, he's the guy that wants to be our family lawyer.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry,
So,
man.
did the jury have a dress code?
Hey, how you doing? Why you look so fucking mad?
Okay.
Oh God, I'm so sorry, ma'am. Oh my goodness.
See,
Oh, what is
did I
happening
tell you?
right now?
What
I'm
did I
so
tell you?
sorry, ma'am.
What did I tell you?
And then she let him sit
The
on
right
her.
side,
It was
sir.
wild.
Run!
Oh,
Run!
ma'am, I'm so sorry.
Run! Jesus
Are
Christ!
you
He
okay, ma'am?
swallowed a hole.
I just traumatized you.
I thought she
Holy shit,
disappeared.
take a seat.
Okay, I'm just trying. I'm a big boy. I'm so sorry. I
Yeah,
didn't even
we
see you
know.
sat
We
down.
can see that. Hold on, I gotta clean my glasses. Make sure I saw
I'm
this shit
dying.
right.
God, Jared, check my heart pulse.
Did you just call her Jared? Jared, check the heart pulse.
Okay, I'm so sorry about that, ma'am. That was. Are you okay? Can I do anything for you, ma'am? Get you a glass of water.
I'm fine.
Do it again.
Okay.
Stop laughing. I'm gonna do it again.
I didn't even see you when I sat down. You're like a mouse.
Oh my God. Oh, is that my son? Son.
You fucking swallowed your hole.
Where are we sitting?
There's no seat, so I guess you can stand by me, son. It's okay. Come here. If you want, you can sit on Mama's lamp like good times, but I think you're too big for that.
Jesus Christ.
That's pretty crazy.
And that's how serial killers are made.
Oh? Oh?
Speaking of serial killers,
So just stand on this wall.
I guess.
I heard cereals real
Yeah,
good.
stand against the wall.
Yeah, line up, guys. Line up. We gotta figure out who stole someone's purse.
Oh, definitely all of them.
Hey, to be fair, these men are not on trial. Let's not do that.
I know. We're just joking. We're just.
That's right. That's right.
I said it's so cool. They thought I was Eddie. Yes.
Sometimes, never
Maybe I
mind.
can use
I'm
that.
gonna shut the fuck
Oh,
up.
man, I don't. Oh, well, that's.
Hey, you know, I don't mind this, Alice. Okay, it's okay.
I don't think.
Dang, I
It's
thought I was gonna
appropriate,
give myself away, Prince.
What?
Nothing.
Lap dance? I want to.
Lillian?
You four look like you're about to be lined up for a
I
mugshot.
could.
Dear God.
If
Either
you
that or
want.
firing squad.
Goodness, Jeff.
That was my second
You
thought.
smoking enough?
Kiss,
Huh?
kiss.
You smoking enough yet?
Huh?
Should I?
Exactly.
What you say? What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, all right. Good conversation, Lamont.
Keep blowing that smoke in my face.
I will. You know what I'm going to do after this?
What?
I'm going to go break every fucking window. in
No,
this
you
shit.
ain't. No,
Yeah,
you
I
ain't.
am.
See what happens.
Okay.
See what happens if you do it.
Whatever. Mm-hmm.
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 I got a nice.
Oh,
Nice.
shit. The soles of my boots are worn out. Fuck, my big toes sticking out.
Good Lord. You should
I knew
buy
I
new
smelled
boots.
I
something.
hope they've been
funny.
treating
You
my
guys
brother
to
Drew
each other.
nice where he is, man.
I'm just gonna resend you
Isn't
out
Drew
away.
the one on trial?
Drew's always
Yeah,
been nice to me.
I hope
never had
I hope they've been treating him well while he's been waiting a fair
I
trial.
hope
you know?
not.
I mean, to be
Oh.
honest, this
What?
is all news to me. I'm surprised Drew's being
He's a
accused
great
of something
guy,
like
man.
this.
Yeah, I mean, look, listen, if you like filleting human beings like fish, then yeah, really good guy.
I mean, you can't prosecute a man off hearsay.
Dear God. Is that what he's accused of? I heard he
Yeah.
tortured some fella, but I
Yeah,
didn't know
come
what
on,
was
that's not even
about.
Drew's character. That's
Oh,
not even
okay.
Drew's.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see what happens in the
I've
trial.
known Drew almost as long as this county
Dude.
been around. He's a great guy,
Okay.
man.
Yeah.
Are you gonna say my name during the trial?
What?
That sounds...
What the fuck are you two
I'm
talking
just-
about over there?
You sure you want to be on
Don't
trial?
say you two. All right, that
I
was
mean-
entirely one sided.
No, she was talking to
That's
you.
very-
That makes you two a conversation.
That's not what.
Should you all get a room?
That's it. I'm telling the whole county.
Oh my.
Here, let me whisper. Let me whisper.
Screaming her
no,
name in a courtroom. I feel really weird with no guns. I'm just saying. Why you
You're in my
keep looking at
metaphorical.
me like that? You keep looking at me like I'm a fucking snack.
I'm not gonna lie, yeah, you keep kind of staring at me, Willie.
I'm
this
sorry.
long, uncomfortable way.
I want to make sure I keep my eye on everybody. I don't have my gun on me. I feel weird.
Keep. I just said that.
Yeah, you know, I'm trying to respect the court, but I'm like, man, if we get to shoot,
I'm
fuck.
confident.
I think everyone in the courtroom is equally screwed when it comes to gunfighting and nobody else having guns.
Nah, Eddie Kane's in here. You ever seen that man like fight a bear?
No.
Yeah.
So how do
I
you
would
know?
say I would say actual
heard-
bear, but he's
I
on
heard.
the floor. in
I
my
was gonna
house.
say if you ever see him fighting a bear, you better jump in and help the bear.
Yeah.
He'll
Last
fill
time I
he'll fill
saw
that
it-
whole street. He'll fill that whole street with uppercuts.
Let's go right upstairs. Let's go move it. Come on.
Oh, Drew's here.
Go right upstairs. Let's go.
Let them being mean to Drew.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Didn't need to be
in front of him.
Fucking
What the
police.
Where'd he go?
Guilty. All right, let's go home.
Wait, where'd he go?
What the fuck?
Did he?
What?
Fuck.
Man,
He
his
popped.
lawyers.
Run, Drew, run!
No, don't run. Oh, yeah,
He
run.
popped.
I kind of
Yeah, he
want to see
popped.
that happen.
So the trial should be dismissed because the police lost him.
Daddy, there's
So
a few
you,
other things
you
you could
can't
try
keep a
than that.
prisoner. How can you try a man for something you weren't
Case
there to witness?
dismissed, charges
That's all I'm
dropped.
saying. Case
You're all free
dismissed,
to go.
charges dropped. Let's go.
Let's try.
Party
it.
at Cat Saloon.
Yeah, he
You guys are a
Charges
bunch of
drop. You'll just go
barbarians.
home, have a drink.
Should have said impartial jury, but too late now.
How many people want to see this guy
He had
walk?
a head issue. Give us a moment.
I had so
See,
much
I
alcohol
I
the
mean,
last 2
he
weeks, I don't
is a
think I could drink
whole
another drop in my
head
whole life.
issue.
Hey, respectfully, I'm gonna need y'all to keep it down. Trying to get things in order.
What the fuck he just say to me? What the fuck?
He was talking right to you too, man.
He can lick my toe.
Yeah.
Chaps.
What?
Be
One of the
respectful.
marshals
Throw
asked,
you out.
he
Like you
wants
said,
to look on that
respectfully,
Which
just
toe?
keep it down.
balcony.
Thank you.
Yeah.
On the balcony.
Judge, who'd
you call?
Who the fuck was that?
No, across the street.
I don't know, some martial.
Obviously, you guys are entitled to speak and obviously chat amongst yourselves. Let's just tone it down just a little bit. Not obviously y'all can still talk and do what y'all gotta do. Just tone it down just a tad bit, if you would. Much appreciated, guys. Sorry about the inconvenience. We're getting it handled right now.
what?
I don't know how I could take a guy with one eyeball seriously.
Oh my god.
You only get half,
Have mercy.
get half the story, huh?
What happened?
Who wants me up on that balcony just
The guy with the blue vest. Well, I wasn't trying to say it out loud so everybody heard me.
We heard you though.
But we can hear you.
We heard.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
That was hysterical.
Yeah.
No.
Oh god.
Yeah. Why did you not tell me?
You don't tell me.
Shh.
Sarah, not Allie. Thank you.
I'm gonna shut up now.
Can you please stop doing that? You really want my name to be Allie, don't you?
Lawman, go ahead and take your hats off, please.
That's respectful.
Lillian, take your hat off.
If you say so.
Hey, keep it down now.
Fucking rocks with lips.
You're not supposed to wear your hats.
I got my orders from.
Don't make Daddy come back here and yell at you.
Oh, he's back. He's back.
Mm.
He's down there.
I like the sound of that. Anyway, what?
Mr. Edwards. Alright,
Okay.
you can put your hands down. Just
come on, walk. Let's go.
Yep.
Dang, we're going
There you go.
in and out. In and out. Oh,
Left.
there
Whole courtroom stress smoking.
Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Your lawyer, your attorney's
Go
over
ahead.
there.
go ahead and take a
Proceed
seat next to your
him.
lawyer.
Alright, Deputy Stimmer.
Adams, you place him where you want.
Drew. Eddie.
Where am I in? Where's the other one?
Hey, Drew.
He's on bailiff
Are
duty.
guns necessary in a room where nobody has guns?
They couldn't have gotten him any clothing before this.
Yeah, they couldn't put him in a suit.
Yeah.
Treating him so bad.
Hate to see you like this, Drew.
Rooting for you, brother.
He's getting on a nice shirt and pants.
Let the man wash his face.
Fuck that.
How long has he been locked up?
They've been treating you right in there?
I mean, eat rats, if that's what you call is good.
Good lord.
Then
No
where's my
salt.
tax money going?
No pepper.
No salt, no pepper. Just raw rat.
Oh my goodness. What in the world?
This is
That's
heartbreaking.
inhumane.
Ain't even got no raisins for the tater salad.
Oh.
That'll get you
Yeah,
hung
I'm
all
waiting
in
on Jody.
itself.
No raisins? Oh goodness.
You gonna eat your cornbread?
Oh, here it is.
Damn, rats with no salt and pepper is almost worth the noose.
Wait a minute. Who the fuck didn't
Monster.
bring you any fucking cornbread?
How you doing, sir?
It's thick as cornbread in here.
Ask for it, soldier.
All rise. The Honorable Chief Justice Blood Rain presiding. This court of Ozark County is now in session. This 27th day of September, 1895 at the courthouse of Saint Denis.
You all may be seated. Jury, please remain standing. Can everybody hear me okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Members of the jury, please raise your right hand. I swear to judge fairly without favor, prejudice, and to render a true verdict according to the evidence and the law, so help me God. Say I do.
I do.
All right. Before the proceedings commence, let it be known to all present that this is a court of law and justice. Order and proper conduct shall be maintained at all times. Any man or woman who engages in unlawful speech, disorderly conduct, or demonstrates ill behavior shall be removed from this chamber without hesitation. The dignity of this court is not to be trifled with, and I will not tolerate any disruptions while justice is being weighed. The court shall now hear the matter of the Department of Justice versus Drew Edwards. I will now ask the prosecution to state the charges and proceed with their opening statement.
Your Honor, speaking for the County of Ozark, the charges against Mr. Edwards have so been filed as of a warrant on 31 August 1895, filed by then Deputy Attorney General Lombardo, in a warrant requesting his detainment until trial, citing charges of CF9 for extortion, HF4 attempted murder of a Capitol official, HF7 for torture, HF11 for kidnapping. The county is seeking either life in prison or ultimately the death sentence for this. We believe that he is a flight risk. He has shown as we'll show later, he's shown a repeated pattern of behavior, and so we'll be seeking the maximum penalty on all charges. I would like to also defer to the defense for their opening statement. I'll
Nope.
Excuse you.
Need you guys to leave this premise.
Continue. I believe that's outside.
Okay. Yeah. But yeah. So I'll defer to the defense for their opening statement if they want to go.
Fair enough. Yes. Yeah.
All right, defense counsel, you may proceed.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the court, we are gathered here today under the gravest of circumstances. A man's life and all he owns is under attack by vicious allegations. A troubled man, surely. But as today, we will all learn together, an innocent man. A man alleged to have committed terrible acts in the name of injustice. Terrible acts that can frighten the citizens of our beloved Ozark County. However, it is my hope you will see soon very clearly our one, Drew Edwards, is innocent of these claims. Laid bare at the feet of the prosecution lies one simple question. One simple question that the defense will ask of you time and time again throughout this case, as the prosecution alleges their claims. What is reasonable doubt? Every sentence, every statement, every witness, we ask you to ask yourselves, do I believe this? That is the entirety of what the prosecution is basing this man's life on. Belief. The words of man versus another. They will try to establish that Mr. Edwards is some horrible killer, a terrible person, a plague on society. But as you will see tonight, he is just a man found in the wrong place at the wrong time. The same can happen to any of us. This injustice, and I pray it never does. Thank you, Your Honor, and the people of the court.
Thank you. The prosecution, you may call your first witness.
Nope, I still get my opening statement.
Oh, yes, continue, sorry.
That's right. Your Honor, members of the jury, ladies and gentlemen of the audience, you know, my colleague here, Mr. Kane, he wants to sit there and proclaim that, you know, this is a grave injustice, and Mr. Drew here was just a man caught at the wrong place at the wrong time, and I'll agree, he was at the wrong place at the wrong time. He decided upon himself to put himself in a situation to pick up arms to cause grave and harmful damage against a member of our law enforcement. Not just once, not just twice, but several times. This is not a man that was just caught in the wrong place at the wrong time on one occasion. This is a man with a serious and deplorable criminal record. Serious acts and continuous acts of violence. And I'm not just talking about, punching somebody that might mouth off to you or shooting somebody. I believe what we'll show for you today, not just based on somebody's feelings or hearsay or emotions, but what we'll show you in the fact from the testimony from the witnesses, from numerous medical professionals, numerous law enforcement officers, and witnesses, that on several occasions, Mr. Edwards did in fact take up arms against innocent civilians and against those that are sworn to protect our society. But not just that, not just took up arms against them, but did some of the most deplorable and depraved acts possible and tortured a man, flayed the skin from his body, and left him for dead. And then not only didn't try to hide it, but gloated about it, bragged about it, was smug about it. My colleague, Mr. Kane, brings up a part about reasonable doubt, and he's absolutely right. If there's, the court process and the Constitution says that if you have any reasonable doubt whatsoever that Mr. Edwards did any of these things, you have to find him innocent. I'm not arguing that point whatsoever. But along with that comes the fact that if you find that the evidence presented before you, which I'm sure you will, has found that he has in fact done these things, and not just like did it once, but like I said, has a repeated habit of doing this type of behavior, that you will find him guilty and you will hold him accountable for the sins of the atrocities that he's committed against this county so far. Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. At this time, we're going to request the prosecution to continue with their first witness.
Can I get a motion to approach the bench, Your Honor?
Yeah, come on up.
Yeah.
Man,
Wait, hold on.
this is wild, man. Those are wild charges.
That's
He's definitely swinging. He's definitely swinging. He's gonna handle Mimosa.
He's not gonna swing.
He's definitely swinging. I'll bet $20 on it.
I don't have $20. I'm poor.
Stop trying to take bets on whether a man swings or not when he sits right in front of you.
He'll be all right. $20?
No.
No?
I don't take bets on life or death. That's cruel.
I mean, he did flay a man.
Well, we ain't heard the prosecution.
We ain't heard the
yet.
whole story yet, man.
Nah. Definitely going for a plea deal right here.
It's so early. I wonder what they're talking about.
Probably putting a wager on it.
No, only you would put a wager on a life or death situation, Chubbs.
I mean, look, listen, he gambled with his own life. Why can't we?
Well, we'll see.
Okay. She's definitely betting 20 on it.
They're finna dismiss the case. I can feel it.
Oh, you think so?
They've been up there for a long time.
Yeah, oh, I could see it.
No, they wouldn't do all this and just dismiss it outright.
I don't know. I've seen many a poker game win with an ace up his sleeve.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, and that's
true.
called
It's
cheating.
true.
Shh.
Your Honor, before we proceed, in light of Mr. Kane's request to suppress, previous evidence in previous cases, before we call our first witness, I would like to read the previous indictments that have been brought against Mr. Edwards that he's already served for, but to speak to the pattern of behavior for him.
All right, counsel, you can go ahead and do that.
What do you say?
It's not a valid document. If it's written in there, they're trying to prosecute me for the same shit. that whole document.
Sorry, my eyes stopped working there for a second. On or about the 17th of July, in Wapiti, Mr. Edwards was found guilty of 2 charges of capital assault, as well as manufacturing of contraband. On or about the 28th of June, in the town of Rhodes, he was accused and found guilty of the crime of robbery, where contraband was found on him, as well as the products of the robbery itself. On or about the 28th of June as well, in the town of Annisburg, he was once again found charged and found guilty of a robbery in progress at the Annisburg post office. This was an armed robbery, which did come with assault on the responding LEOs. On or about the 19th of June, he at the Saint Denis Bank, he was accused of armed robbery once again and capital assault against responding law enforcement officers. On or about the 13th of June at the oil fields, he was found guilty, was charged and found guilty once again of armed robbery, capital assault against law enforcement officers, and was found with contraband items. On or about the 12th of May, at the oil fields, he was charged with robbery there. He did serve locally, but he was charged and found guilty of robbery of the oil fields, as well as a train robbery, at which point he did serve locally, and there was also capital assault mixed in with that.
All right. The jury don't need to know this. This is all been handled.
So, Your Honor, those are all the previous cases not related to the specific incidents on trial. Once again, the defense has been made aware of these. They have provided these as part of discovery. I enter them into the court's evidence as a account for the criminal behavior and repeated violent mindset of the defendant.
Motion for narrative, Your Honor.
Denied.
What?
I'm going to go ahead and
Your-
consider those into
Yes, Your Honor.
into the court. What?
Your Honor, we'd like to call the first witness, Mr. Billy Utah, to the stand.
Mr. Billy Utah, come over here, stand next to this bailiff, and raise your right hand.
You got tall counters.
All right. Do you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, go ahead and have a seat on the bench.
Mr. Utah, during the month of August, which is where the wait, can everybody over there hear me?
Yes.
Okay. During the month of August, which is when the accused crime did occur, can you please tell the court, for the record, what your occupation was?
Currently the owner of the blacksmith in Van Horn.
Okay. All right. And on the night of the accusations, can you tell me what you recall from when you ran into Marshall Casey, Jack Nell, and a man named Sammy at the docks of Saint Denis?
I believe I was in transit to Blackwater at the time. Ran into Casey, Jack Nell, and a man named Sammy on the docks in Saint Denis, and they recounted a story. Actually, sorry, let me backpedal a little bit. They asked me if I had seen Drew Edwards anywhere, to which I responded I hadn't seen him in some time, and I didn't know where he was, and nor where he would be. And they recounted a story about an offense that Drew had done to Jack Nell at the time, and kind of just recapped a lot of the things that I'm sure we'll hear about in this court case.
Okay. And for the record, what was their in what manner did they regard Mr. Edwards? Was it positive? Was it negative?
I mean, I would say that they regarded him in a negative light / potentially afraid of Mr. Edwards.
Objection, speculation.
Sustained.
So to rephrase that, what exactly did they say that their previous encounter with Mr. Edwards had been?
I would say that they regarded their previous encounter with Mr. Edwards as, I struggle for the words. I would say graphic.
Was it what was it of a violent nature?
Yeah. I guess the encounter would be classified as violent.
Okay. And at the time, did either one of Marshall Casey or Marshall Nell reveal to you any injuries that had occurred from the encounter with Mr. Edwards?
Jack had shown me a severe lack of skin on his hands at that time.
Okay. And where did he say that he had, how did he say he had incurred these injuries? By the hands of who?
He said that Drew Edwards had done it to him.
Okay. And during this conversation, was the man you called Sammy present?
Yeah.
Okay. And what was your perception of, or what was Sammy's demeanor and involvement in this conversation during that time?
I mean, I would say an overall, like, I don't want to say positive. Positive sounds like the wrong intention here, but he was involved in the conversation.
Okay. Did he seem like he was affected by the graphics showing of the injuries by Mr. Nell? Did he seem like he was affected in a negative manner?
Negative. Yes.
Objection.
Border.
Speculation.
Your Honor, it's not speculation. I'm asking him for his personal opinion. Go ahead.
You may continue.
I would say not necessarily. He was shocked at the injuries. You know, I wouldn't say that it was anything other than shock.
Okay. All right. And then so Mr. Nell showed you the horrific the injuries to his hands, where he was flayed from skin, exposing skeleton and muscle, according to the statement, the sworn testimony that you gave. Afterwards, did the gentleman named Sammy say anything?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that again? The gentleman say something.
Did the gentleman named Sammy say anything after Mr. Nell exposed his injuries?
Like I said, I would say it was just a view of shock. Like you would respond to seeing somebody without skin on their hands.
Okay. Did after you encountered them at the docks, where did you go next?
We went to around the Valentine area to I guess a basement.
Okay. And why did you go to the basement near Valentine?
I guess because we were all involved in the story that we were hearing from Jack and Casey.
Let me rephrase that. Whose suggestion was it that you go to revisit that site?
Let me think on that.
I'll remind you of your sworn testimony, because I know it's been a while. Your testimony says that the man named Sammy suggested we go revisit the site that Drew performed the previously mentioned actions. Is that correct?
That would jog correctly, yes, because I believe that we were kind of invested in the story at that point.
Okay. And then I'll just read the rest of your correspondence. And said, once we arrived at the basement site outside of Valentine, the basement was full of dismembered bodies, rats, and horrific scenes of torture and disembowelment. after exploration and horrific embowelment, Jack himself stepped into the basement, and at that moment, Sammy said something to the effect of "Welcome back, Jack." Is that correct?
That seems to be accurate.
Okay. And then what did Sammy do to Marshall Nell?
I was not visual on the account, but the what I would assume happened is after I walked in, we found Jack dead on the floor in the basement, and Sammy nowhere to be seen. So I would assume.
And Sammy and Jack were the only two that went into that basement, correct?
Over the course of the night, no. I believe everybody had gone in at least once.
No, but I mean during that moment when Jack was there, they were the only two in that basement, correct?
Objection, leading.
Your Honor, I'm just speaking to what he stated in his statement.
Either way, it's hard for me to recall whether or not. I know I was not in the basement at that time, is what I will say. I do know that those two had to have been in there for the story, but I know I was not in it.
Okay, so you went, but you did witness those two going into the basement, and then you found Mr. Jack Nell on the floor with his throat slit, and then the person you call Sammy nowhere to be found. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now, do you see anybody in the courtroom that reminds you of this person named Sammy?
It would be purely suggestive at this point because during the whole altercation, I believe Sammy was wearing a low-fitting hat, possibly glasses. At that time, maybe something high up on his neck, but it is very hard for me to account because I never saw Sam without layers of clothing on.
Okay, that's fair. All right, and now, so you said in your statement that Sammy, then suspected to be Drew Edwards himself, seemed to vacate the basement, and all but disappeared into thin air. What were you drawing that conclusion of? Drew being the person named Sammy when you made that statement.
The entire story that we had learned was that the injury sustained by Jack Nell was caused by Drew, and we had gone back to under Sammy's suggestion and
His guidance
and Jack Nell's literal guidance, taking us back to the scene where it happened. I could only assume that at that point, welcome back Jack would imply that Sammy and Jack had been in that location before.
Okay.
So
and Mr. and just my final question for you, when y'all went to go revisit the location, am I correct in reading from your sworn statement that the gentleman named Sammy seemed to almost take pleasure in revisiting the site?
I don't think it was pleasure in the site itself, but more of an evil joy exclaimed during "Welcome Back, Jack," as it were.
Okay.
But
okay. Okay. All right. And then sorry, one final thing. Once you discovered Marshall Nell on the ground with the injuries, where did you go next?
To the doctor's office in Valentine.
Okay. And who attended to him during that doctor's visit?
I believe Lulu was there. Lulu Lux, but I think that was the only doctor. Maybe Jared had shown up at some point.
Yeah. Your statement said Jared as well. So okay. All right. That's all I got for you. Thank you. Prosecution rests. I'll turn over to defense.
All right. Mr. Kane, you may continue.
All right. Thank you very much. Mr. Utah.
Mr. Kane.
Fine day outside today, isn't it?
Sure is.
I only have one question for you.
Go ahead.
Are Sammy and Mr. Edwards the same person?
I cannot confirm nor deny that at this point. There's no way for me to prove that one is the other.
The defense rests, Your Honor.
All right.
That was.
All right, Mr. Utah, you can
really
go
well
ahead and step
played on
down from the
Eddie's
bench.
case.
Thank you for your time.
Your Honor, the people would like to call next to the stand, Dr. Jared Smith.
Dr. Smith, if you come up here and stand next to the bailiff and raise your right hand and repeat after me. Or, sorry, just raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you may have a seat.
Okay.
Evening, Dr. Smith. If you would please, for the court, please state your name and occupation as it was on the night of the incident from the Valentine basement.
Yes, my name is Jared Smith. I am a head doctor with Ozark County Medical. At the time, I was a senior doctor, though.
Okay, and what has been your with regards to Marshall Nell? What has been your interactions with him from a medical aspect and treating injuries?
In regards to me treating his injuries, or
Yeah,
how?
what's the nature of the injuries that you have treated Dr. Nell for? Excuse me, Marshall Nell.
Lots of gunshot wounds, in general, and then that situation where I had to treat him on this involving this case.
Okay, and so that night in with regards to the statement in or this incident in the Valentine basement, can you explain to me how you came across Marshall Nell?
Well, I received a call outside of Valentine. It was from Marshall Casey, and basically it was pretty far out of town. So I traveled south of Valentine, went out to the call, and when I arrived, there was a gentleman that I could see bones protruding from his shirt, laying on the ground in front of me.
Okay. And how extensive were the injuries to Marshall Nell?
On arrival, I noticed that all skin tissue had been stripped from his body, leaving extensive areas of exposed muscle and raw tissue.
Okay.
And the patient was in critical condition, presenting with severe shock, extreme blood loss, and basically an imminent risk of infection.
Okay, and I'm reading from the incident report that was provided by the Ozark County Medical Department, stating a previous incident to where Marshall Nell had similar type injuries applied to him. Are you familiar with that situation? It was attended to by Dr. Storm Blackheart.
She had informed me about the situation. Yes.
Okay. And what was your nature of understanding of those injuries compared to the injuries that you saw that day?
To my understanding, it was the exact same situation.
Okay, and are this nature of injury, these types of injuries, are they something you see commonly?
Absolutely
throughout
not.
the county? Okay. Would you say that the only time that you have encountered these types of situation or these types of injuries are maybe with Marshall Nell himself?
Yes, this is the first time I've ever seen somebody skinned.
Okay, and how long have you been a doctor here in the county?
About 5 months.
About 5 months. Okay, so you would consider yourself, especially as a senior doctor, to be pretty well versed in the types of injuries and what's common and uncommon within the county, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And then, so would you consider these types of injuries that Marshall Nell incurred to be of a specifically violent nature, or are they things that perhaps could happen accidentally, or are they things that would happen to an individual intentionally and egregiously?
I would believe that it would be very intentional to skin somebody.
Okay. All right.
Unless his hand got stuck in a grinder somewhere, or both hands, and then the rest of his skin as well. But I believe it would be intentional.
But you're not aware of Marshall Nell operating any sort of grinders, correct?
I am not.
Okay. All right. Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Defense, you can begin your cross-examination.
Okay. Mr. Smith.
Yes, sir.
How you doing today, sir?
I'm doing well.
Hey, just something I'd like to establish or ask you, a question. Do you know who Sammy is?
Sammy who?
Defense rest, Your Honor.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
That's all we've got for the good doctor, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Smith, thank you for your time and your patience. You can go ahead and step off the bench.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, the prosecution would like to call its next witness, Marshal Casey Bloodrain.
All right. Miss Bloodrain, come over here and stand next to the bailiff and raise your right hand.
Can I step up on this thing because I can't see?
Yes, ma'am.
Still can't see. No, okay.
All right.
Oh, there, I can see her.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can go ahead and have a seat.
No, over here, Casey.
Am I gonna be able to get around that way?
Yeah, you can fit through there.
Does she have her
There you
shoes
go.
on?
You're funny. Hilarious. I can't touch the ground now, but thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Marshal Bloodrain, would you please state your occupation and name as it was for during the time of August 3rd when this incident occurred?
Of course, it was Chief Marshal Casey Givens and
Okay. And am I correct in my statement that you have been the Chief Marshal of the county since the county was founded back in November of 1894?
yes, you're correct.
Okay. And am I correct in assuming that, or in stating that by virtue of being the Chief Marshal, that you are very familiar with various crimes and stuff that happen throughout the county?
Yes, that's correct.
And thus you are also very familiar with the numerous criminals and criminal incidents that happen throughout the county, correct?
Correct, yes.
In your tenure as the Chief Marshal, you heard Dr. Smith talk about the nature of Marshal Nell's injuries. How many times have you seen those types of injuries displayed on a victim?
This will be the first time, sir.
Okay. Well, so the first time, but 2 incidents towards Marshal Nell, correct?
Towards Mr. Nell, yes.
Yeah, correct. So Marshal Nell is the only person that has encountered these injuries before, correct?
Correct.
Now, notwithstanding the night that you and Marshal Nell encountered the person named Sammy, was there a previous incident where Marshal Nell had encountered these types of injuries?
Yes, there was, sir.
Okay, and at whose hand did he sustain these injuries?
He stated to me that it was Drew Edwards. Very clear, very understanding. He 100% knew it was him.
Okay, and what was he basing this information off of?
Stated to me that Drew revealed himself and his name to Jack. So that's based on what he told me.
Okay, and would you consider Marshal Nell to be a fairly reasonable person based on your experience of working with him?
Yes, sir. Very much so.
Okay, and have you encountered Mr. Edwards numerous times throughout your time here in the county?
Yes, I have.
Okay, and would you identify the person if the person you know as Mr. Edwards is in the courtroom? Would you be able to identify him?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is it?
The man sitting over there in the stripes, sir.
Okay, let the record show that Marshal Casey is speaking about the defendant, Drew Edwards, sitting over there. Okay, now, so the first time that you found Marshal Nell, from the sustained injuries, he easily identified to you that it was
Make sure you ask
Mr.
her
Edwards. Talk to me about the incident to where you
why it took
encountered
2
a man
weeks
named
for
Sammy
Jack
at the docks
to
of Saint Denis.
report to his mother
Yes.
while she was
So
kidnapped.
I mean, he was wearing almost looked like a swamp man. You know, torn clothing, dirty clothing. As far as he told us, that's his name. The voice. It was really hard to recognize. It seemed like he was purposely putting on something, a voice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, can confirm. Obviously, he told me, introduced himself as Sammy.
Right. Did at any time was there any identifying factors based on your initial encounter with him that this was, or that would make you draw a conclusion that Sammy was in fact Drew Edwards?
At that time, no.
Is there any encounter? Is there anything at a later time that states that you would be able to identify that Sammy is indeed Drew Edwards?
In a later incident that occurred shortly after that that initial meeting, yes.
Okay, what was this incident?
We went to the location of where Jack told me that he was first injured, and we went down into the basement. I was one that went first. Jack followed by Sammy. Obviously, you know, startled by rats. The scene down there was, I can't even begin to describe the horrific scene that we were faced with. It was the comment made, "See, I will find you. I told you I will find you again," and then it was an evil laugh, and then Jack got stabbed in the neck.
Okay, and in this basement, you know, were you able to easily identify if anybody else was in the basement at the time?
Yes. It's
Was
a very
there any
small basement.
Okay. All right, and was there anybody in the basement other than yourself, Marshal Nell, and the person called Sammy?
At the time, no. When the incident occurred, Billy was behind me, came in.
Okay,
I believe he was sort of standing outside when the actual incident happened.
Okay, and the person that said, "See, I told you I would get you here again," was indeed Sammy.
100%, yes.
Okay, no further questions,
no one
Your Honor.
else there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Defense, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. Miss Gibbons, how are you doing on this fine afternoon?
I am well. I'm now blood rain. So.
Oh, my apologies, Miss Bloodrain.
No, thank
you. What's your relationship with the defendant?
Stepfather, so I'm his stepdaughter.
So, the defendant, Drew Edwards, on trial today is your father?
Sir, Your Honor, objection, Your Honor. The witness's relationship to the defendant is not on trial here today. And Miss Marshal Bloodrain has not been called here as a familial witness to the defendant. She's been called here as a witness from the prosecution based on her experience as a law enforcement officer and that she was there at the scene at the time.
I just feel like in relationship is you know what? It's fine. I'll just let it go.
We're going to go ahead and strike that from the record. You may continue, Mr. Kane.
Thank you. All right, Miss Bloodrain.
Yes.
In the first incident, you said, well, actually, you know what? My memory is terrible. Can you go ahead and recount the first incident you were speaking of for me, please? Thank you.
So the first incident is initially what happened to Jack, to do with the peeling of his skin. I was the one that responded to the medical office. I was alerted there by medical staff and being made aware of what exactly occurred and was able to see the injuries that he had sustained.
Okay. And what was the word from medical in regards to how he arrived there and anything that may have happened between the time you were alerted and when you got there?
Medical stated where he was found. He was located just outside Valentine around there. There's like a basement area, which is the same area that we went to in the second incident. How they found him is quite horrific, covered in blood, missing skin. He was semi-conscious, and then they transported him carefully to the Valentine medical office, where I was alerted, I would say, within 30 minutes, I guess. They both made me aware of the situation before I went in and what to prepare myself for. And yeah, it was quite horrific. They had him covered in bandages. He was semi-coherent, like mumbling, drifting in and out of consciousness. He was mumbling Drew Edwards. Kept saying that over and over again. It wasn't until, obviously, he had enough time to recover, where he was able to sort of extend on that particular comment.
Understood. Question: Did you ever see Mr. Edwards that day?
The same time of the first incident? I do not believe so, no.
Okay. And you're saying it was roughly half an hour from the time you got alerted? I'm sorry.
Gonna say so. I mean, I don't know exactly when the medical team, found him. They only gave me the information of the, severity of his injuries and what to be prepared for when I was going to be taken into that office, or with the medical team, what they were assisting him with and what I was going to see, because it was a lot to prepare for.
Oh, most certainly. That, like I said, the crimes here are very, very egregious. Did the doctor say anything about Mr. Edwards?
Not from what I was aware of. No one was found at the area of the crime. Only Jack was.
Okay, so adjacent from Jack, did anyone else report anything about Mr. Edwards that day?
No, sir.
What reason do you have to believe that Mr. Edwards was even there?
Because I know my marshal, and with working here with him for a very long time, what reason would he have to lie about it? He has no prior motive to want to target Mr. Edwards. He was in shock. He was upset. He, was traumatized by what happened. I see nothing or no reason for him to lie.
I mean, he was in shock. He was traumatized. The man had just had skin and tissue removed from his arms, legs, and feet.
Your Honor, objection. The defense counsel is a lawyer, not a doctor.
Well, I'm only recounting something that was already presented to the court earlier. The doctor testified on this.
Go ahead and restate your question.
You want me to okay, I'll restate my question.
Yes.
You said the only person who mumbled anything about Mr. Drew Edwards that day was the victim himself, correct?
Yes, he was saying it over and over.
Okay. When he mentioned Mr. Edwards' name, do you believe him to have been in sound or even reasonable mind?
Well, no, at the time he was drifting in and out, but he was.
I mean, he was
He
tortured,
was saying it
drugged,
over and over. Yeah, he was
filleted.
very distraught, but why, like I'm trying to say that he didn't have any prior motive or, negative interactions for him to target or lie or,
Huh.
what,
So, would you say that's reasonable doubt as to whether or not Mr. Edwards was even there?
Your Honor, objection. It's not the witness's responsibility to determine reasonable doubt, nor is it that's up for the jury.
Sustained.
Miss Blood Rain, is there anything else from that day that you may recount?
from the first incident?
No, I'm sorry. Let's move on to the second incident. What can you recount from the second incident, ma'am? Thank you.
We were led, we went led into that basement. I guess it was more or less initially to re-jog Mr. Nell's memory to see if there's anything else they could pinpoint, just to gather further evidence of, the trauma that he'd been through. The comment to me was, once we walked into there, so, in front of me was Mr. Edwards, who claimed to be Sammy at the time, and Jack. And as Jack rounded the corner of a little room in there, I heard the comment being made, which is what I stated, which, I told you, I'd find you again, and then he was stabbed right in front of me. I turned to chase Mr. Edwards, but by the time we got up the stairs and around the corner, he'd completely disappeared.
But how do you know he was Sammy? Like, how do you know? What
he
evidence
revealed
is there?
himself down in the basement of that comment. I told you I'd find you again, which, we were all shocked that he used his voice. All of a sudden, the voice he was using prior was gone.
But I'm sorry, Miss Blood Rain, I'm going to cut you off, but what evidence do we have?
Oh my.
Well, I mean, he revealed himself in the basement. He spoke like Drew, and the laugh that he did.
Miss Blood Rain, if I were to step in front of you and begin to start spouting out 7 years ago and say that my name was Abraham Lincoln, does that make me Abraham Lincoln?
Your Honor, objection. This is a farce.
Oh, that was absurd.
I'm just trying to establish how somebody saying something automatically pins them as that person.
Because it's a comment that was made
Why else would
in
they say it?
the first incident. Jack told me that there was a bit of an extortion thing happening. I will find you again. So that comment being repeated, I guess, or being used in the second incident is enough for us to believe that it was true.
Did anyone else report Mr. Edwards that day? Talk about him? Speak about him?
That was weird.
With the second incident, obviously the only people that we had there was in regards to, Billy. He was with us, so that was it.
Okay. And just going back, I mean, Sammy said words. That's the testimony we have here today. But did you ever identify him through other means?
No, he was, like I said, he was disguised, and putting on a bit of a voice which did seem a little bit forced. So,
Okay, so
that's it.
okay, so the only evidence you have is that Sammy made a laugh that was similar to Mr. Edwards.
And the comments, sir.
And the comments.
Yes,
Okay. Defense rests.
Your Honor, permission to cross-examine my witness.
You may continue.
Eddie, you got one more?
Marshal Bloodrain, a couple quick questions just to tie this up.
You need to ask
so,
her.
in your experience as a marshal,
When she was
how
kidnapped,
often do
why it
criminals
took
hang
Jack
around the scene of the crime
2
after committing a
weeks
crime, especially
to
one of
report
such
to
violent
his
nature?
mother
Never, sir.
Okay.
why she was
Thank you very
missing,
much.
to show the
Now, we
incompetence
did
in
establish
Jack.
that you do have familial ties
That-
to him.
that
Now, we're not going to get
establishes
into
the
that.
motive
But
for you
so,
to
is
get
it
this
safe to say
opportunity.
that you are familiar with Mr. Edwards?
Yes, I am, sir.
Are you? Would you consider yourself able to easily recognize his voice and laugh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Objection, Your Honor.
And-
Speculation.
Overruled.
So you would consider yourself fairly confident that you were able to correlate the laugh and voice that you heard that day when it was not being intentionally disguised as that relating
Objection, Your
to
Honor. Leading.
Overruled.
as that leading to the related to the defendant.
Yes.
Okay. And prior to this incident, okay, prior to this incident in the basement, were the details of certain let me rephrase that. Sorry. Prior to this incident, was anybody aware of the comment that was made to Marshall Nell by his previous assailant that he would get him there again?
No, sir. That was information only passed to us, so I do not believe it would be used by anybody else.
So there is no reason that anybody other than Mr. Edwards, who was identified clearly from the first incident, that anybody other than Mr. Edwards would know that statement.
Objection, Your
or
Honor.
know
Leading.
that word.
Sustained.
Is there any reason that you can think of that Sammy would know that statement that was said to Marshall Nell from Mr. Edwards from the first incident?
As in insinuating that it would be 2 different people?
Is there any reason that anybody other than Marshall Nell and Drew Edwards would know that statement of "I told you I would get you here again"?
No.
Thank you. I rest Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. All right, Ms.
Prosecution
Bloodrain,
would like to call this. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, sir.
Ms. Bloodrain, thank you for your time. You may
Thank
go back and sit down. Of course, thank you.
Prosecution would like to call his final witness, Marshal Jack Nell.
All right, Mr. Nell, come over here and stand next to the bailiff and raise your right hand. All right. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do, sir.
All right, thank you. You may have a seat on the bench.
Right.
Your Honor, I want to first, before I start interviewing Marshall Nell, I do want to read an incident report. This was submitted as prosecution evidence. It's a report dated the 3rd of August, 1895, from Marshal Casey Givens from the Valentine Medical Office. It states that on the evening of August 3rd, 1895, I, Marshal Casey Givens, was urgently called to the Valentine Medical Office. Upon arrival, I was met by medical staff who informed me of a deeply distressing situation involving Marshal Jack Nell. He had been recovered after being reported missing, and his condition was described as critical and life-threatening. Upon medical examination, it was found that a large portion of Marshall Nell's skin had been deliberately torn from his body. These injuries were not consistent with a single act of violence, but indicative of extended intentional torture. Marshall Nell.
Sir.
That statement provided by Marshal at the time Marshal Givens, but now Marshal Bloodrain, is that an accurate statement of your experience from the night of August 3rd, 1895?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Describe to the court what your recollection of that night was.
For the first incident, you mean, or the second incident?
The first incident.
Okay, so I was in Sandini actually. I got responded to alert regarding the death of Mr. Tommy Knox. When Mr. Drew actually was there, and we've been asked to bury this man, Mr. Tommy Knox. So we went from Sandini, me, Mr. Drew, and Mr. And Miss Storm. Doctor. We went from Sandini to Strawberry. From there, after Mr. Tommy Knox got, buried and all of that, Mr. Drew went and kidnapped me, actually. Took me from Strawberry to that location, the basement.
Okay. And real quick before you continue, how did you know that it was Mr. Drew Edwards that was the one that kidnapped you?
Because I actually know Drew before. I arrested him multiple times before as I see him in Sandini a lot, and I know he's related to Miss Casey Blood Rain.
Okay. And when you say you've encountered him a lot and arrested him a lot, is that inclusive of the arrest records that I read during the
Yes, sir.
initial part of the trial? Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you encountered Mr. Edwards during these previous arrests, what was his general demeanor towards you?
He to be honest, he was like okay. He was just a suspect that I should process.
Okay. And so to go back to the evening of August 3rd, after you encountered him and after he took you to what'd you say, Strawberry or Valentine?
He took me from Strawberry to Valentine.
Took you from Strawberry to Valentine. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
After he took you to Valentine, where did you go from there?
He took me to Valentine, actually, like outside the town. There is a place there, a very scary place actually, where he hogtied me, took me there, and put me inside. He asked me a few questions. He told me, "Did you ever felt when you get burned from inside out?" Then he put me down there. He started to torture me.
Okay. And I apologize to have to make you recount this, but when you say he started to torture you, what was the nature of the behavior that he did to you?
He was laughing.
Okay.
He
What did he specifically do to your body?
He took his knife and started to. I'm so sorry. He started to cut my skin piece by piece. He was laughing and he was enjoying that.
Okay. All right. So he was clearly taking pleasure in his violent behavior towards you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what was he saying during that time, if anything, other than laughing?
He said that I deserved that for some reason.
Okay.
I don't know why. I didn't do anything to Mr. Drew at all. Most of the time, he was acting so weird. He was just laughing.
Okay. So after he finished his violent act on you, what did he do next?
He untied me, stabbed me, and then run away.
Okay. And where did he leave your body?
Inside the basement.
Okay. And when you say inside the basement, are you referring to the basement that you were later taken to a few nights later with Marshall Blood Rain, Billy Utah, and a person known as Sammy?
That's correct.
Okay. Now, according to witness accounts by both Mr. Utah and Marshall Blood Rain, as well as your own personal statement,
yes, sir.
while you were there in the basement, there was a comment made saying that I told you I would get you back here. Explain to me what that correlation is to the first night.
The first night he told me exactly that he will find me again if I try to look for him.
Okay.
First night.
And okay. And outside of official police records, had you told that statement to anybody?
No.
Okay. And then the final thing you said that, or well, for this, you said that he was laughing the entire time. Is there another incident that you can think of related to you to where you had heard this laugh being used in a violent or maniacal manner?
Yeah. It was at the second incident. Actually, he laughed the same exact laugh.
The same exact laugh. Okay.
Yeah.
No further question, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Mr. Kane, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. Marshal Nell.
Yes, sir.
Let me just start by saying I am truly sorry for your misfortune and what happened to you.
Thank you, sir.
It's very egregious, and nobody should have to endure said punishment like that.
Thank you, sir.
When speaking about the first incident, you said that you were responding to a man's death, correct?
Yeah, Mr. Tommy Knox.
Mr. Tommy Knox. And
bless his soul.
Who was there with you at the time?
Mr. Drew was standing outside, and Dr. Storm.
Dr. Storm. Okay. And then from there, y'all traveled straight to Strawberry?
From Saint Denis to Strawberry, me, him, and Dr. Storm.
Okay. Were you ever alone with Mr. Edwards?
Yeah. Well, when we arrived there, Dr. Storm left. So I was alone with Mr. Edwards when he buried the man, or helped burying the man, and after that, he did what he did.
Okay. Do you know about how long that was?
I don't actually, like a few months, maybe 1 month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry. The question I'm asking you is, do you know roundabout how long you were alone with Mr. Edwards after the doctor left?
Okay. For about 20 or 15 minutes.
15, 20 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. After these egregious acts were made towards you, do you know roundabout how long it was before you were found?
In the basement, you mean?
Yes, sir.
So he left, and 5 minutes later, Dr. Storm responded to the call.
Okay. About 5 minutes later, Dr. Storm came and thank God was able to tend to your needs so that you're standing here or sitting here in front of us today.
Thank you, sir.
You stated before that you arrested him a lot. Is that a ongoing pattern with you?
No. I arrested him multiple times doing bank robberies. And I maybe 1 or 2 times, I don't recall actually, but I see him a lot in Saint Denis, and in Blackwater sometimes. I actually know him, not very well, but I know him.
Okay.
I don't know him personally very much.
In all of these said incidents, did he ever harm you before? In these said bank robberies?
Yeah.
He did personally.
Yeah.
My client.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you explain to the court what that was?
He kidnapped me from Saint Denis one time to Fort Wallace.
Okay.
And left me there.
Okay. Did he let you go?
Actually, he left me hogtied in the fort.
Right.
And run away after his friend got shot by the locals inside the Fort Wallace. He was trying to rob the fort.
So he didn't harm you?
I know. I got shot multiple times by the locals, but
not my client.
Yeah, not your client. He just hogtied me, took me on the horse, and kidnapped me basically, and took me to Fort Wallace with multiple individuals.
A couple of questions for you.
Go ahead.
When he was with you and Dr. Storm, before y'all carried on to Strawberry to help that poor man's soul rest, given your previous experiences with my client, why would you leave with a known criminal in the middle of the night to a graveyard?
Because he told me he can bury the man, and why not? Like I am a lawman, I'm a marshal, I am well trained. Why do I need to be scared?
Yeah, but digging graves in the middle of the night with a man who let you go?
It was not a night actually. First of all, it was a morning. Second of all, uh, I told you again, I am a marshal. I am well trained, specifically for these type of situations. And there was a murder of a man. Mr. Drew was there.
Even a
and
marshal should
he
be
told me that he can help me burying this man. That's why he came from Saint Denis to Strawberry. So I don't see any reason why I'm not gonna stand next to him or not. Also, he got arrested for the charge that he did before.
Which charge was that?
The
Is that man
kidnapping.
okay?
Yep, so I got him.
He fell.
Kidnapping, sir.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I got distracted by that fella
Oh no,
collapse
it's
in the
fine.
courtroom.
You're good. You're good, sir.
Okay, so is it safe to say that you trusted him enough to take him with you on the grave digging expedition?
I told you again. It is not matter of trust him or not. I've been doing my job. It doesn't matter if I trust him or not.
Correct, but still, if you know, something of this magnitude is definitely something I wouldn't just entrust to anybody. I mean, you could have asked anyone for help. You could have done it alone. Why bring him with you?
Your Honor, badgering the witness. Marshal Nell's behaviors are not on trial here.
Sustained.
Okay. Do you remember talking to Marshal Buttering when she came to see you?
Correct.
Okay. Do you remember what you may or may not have said to her?
Yeah, I actually remember.
Okay. Could you please remind the court?
Yeah, I was in the hospital, and I told her that Drew Edwards actually did that to me. I gave her, later a statement about what happened.
Okay. So, question: when you were in the hospital, did you receive morphine?
I don't recall.
Okay. So, you're not aware of any medical drugs or anything had been administered for you?
I told you I don't recall actually. If I did, that's more a question to the doctors than me.
Yes, sir. But you were treated.
Yeah.
Okay. And were you traumatized by this? I mean, hell, we saw the pictures.
That's correct.
Your hands were filleted.
Yeah.
Your feet.
Yeah.
And you gave your statement under this duress?
Come on, Eddie.
Yeah. Because I thought actually I was gonna die, and I wanted everyone to know that Drew Edwards did that, and I actually thought I was gonna die. Thanks to the doctors who helped me, but I did my best to make sure to let the marshal, Chief Marshal Casey, know about what happened.
Question for you. Do you know who Sammy is?
Sammy, yeah, I do know who's Sammy.
Okay. So you've met Mr. Sammy?
Yeah, I met him one time.
Okay. Can you tell us about Mr. Sammy?
Mr. Sammy was in Saint Denis when I, myself, Marshal Casey, were nearby. We saw him with Mr. Yuda and another lady. We spoke to him to alert them about what happened, and they need to be careful because there is someone is dangerous walking around. His name is Drew Edwards. And Mr. Sammy was actually there. He was asking a lot of questions about who's that, who's this, where did he got tortured? Can you take us to that place? That's how I met Mr. Sammy.
Okay,
I
so
didn't.
you.
Yeah, I'm
Sorry,
sorry.
go
I
ahead.
didn't know. I didn't know at first. This is Drew Edwards. Until later.
Okay, so what we have is a man named Mr. Sammy, who was very, very interested in the details of your circumstances, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how do you know that Drew Edwards is Sammy?
I told you I'm gonna repeat my answer. I didn't know at the first until later when we went from Saint Denis to Valentine to the same location. And Marshall Casey went inside to see the location again, and she was uh, scared from the location, so from the place actually. So I went behind her, and Mr. Sammy, which I know he's Mr. Drew, came behind me, said the exact same word, exact same laugh. Uh, I told you I'm gonna find you again, and he stabbed me in the neck. He was laughing the same exact laugh. Uh, that's
Okay,
what Drew did.
and once again, I'm so sorry for the displeasures and the pain that you endured through this, because it's quite terrible.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, when the alleged stabbed you, did they stab you from the front or did they come from the back?
From the back.
From the
But
back.
but he
Okay.
yeah he was in front of me. Then he went behind me. He laughed. He said, "I told you I'm gonna find you again." He stabbed me.
Okay. So, other than speculation, you don't know for sure who stabbed you from the back.
Your Honor, objection, badgering the witness.
It's not badgering, sir.
You're putting words in his mouth by trying to say other than speculations and leading him into a question that he only has the ability to answer in one way that suits your argument.
I'll rephrase my question.
Go ahead.
Yep, go ahead.
Is it possible
Mm-hmm.
that it was not Sammy that stabbed you in the neck?
No, there is no way. Because again, he was in front of me. He took his knife, went behind me, and stabbed me in the neck.
So he unsheathed his knife while he was still in front of you?
Yeah. Well, I saw him taking his knife. Then he went behind me again and stabbed me in the neck.
In regards to that, I just want to edge back to something else we talked about earlier in regards to Mr. Drew going with you in the first incident to Strawberry. I know you spoke on your years of training and your years of discipline and being able to protect yourself and whatnot. What do you think made this time different than others?
Well, he hogtied me, sir, so I have nothing. I can do anything.
Well, that wasn't your testimony a little bit ago. Your testimony was that he was standing in front of you, and as he was walking past you, unsheathed his knife, said some select words, and then
No, you're talking about the first incident here or second incident. Because you made me lost here.
I apologize for that. That is clearly my fault.
It's fine. You're good.
So, in regards to the first incident, I'm just recounting the fact that you told me you're well trained and you can take care of yourself. And
yeah.
Okay. So, moving toward the second incident, when this Sammy person was standing in front of you, and then you saw him unsheath this knife.
Yeah.
I'm not doubting your ability whatsoever, but what do you think was the difference between?
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay, because he took his knife out. I thought he was gonna actually get rid of the rats on the ground. That's why I didn't know that this was true because he didn't laugh until he took the knife and. So I didn't know actually if, Drew gonna do that, or like I'm sorry, Mr. Sam or Sammy. He was so quick, and it was that was the incident.
Okay, so other than the maniacal laugh and the particular statement made, by this Sammy person, that's the only thing that you have here to say that this Sammy person is Drew Edwards.
Yeah. Well, I told you again. He said the exact same line. Let's say the exact same laugh. And again, I have nothing against Mr. Drew at all. But yeah.
Do you have reason to believe that Mr. Drew Edwards will have some type of grievance against you?
I have no idea. I don't know. He kidnapped me. I told you before, but I don't know why he did that to me. Actually.
The defense rests, Your Honor. Thank you, Marshal Neal.
No problem, sir.
All right, Mr.
Actually,
Neal.
Mr. Judge, can I say something? You allow me? Or not?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and strike it from the record. You may continue.
I just want to say something here. I actually written down everything I thought I wanted to say on a paper. But I spent hours actually trying to find the right words to say, but before I came to this court, I just decided to get rid of paper because I don't want to stand here and sound like I'm reading a script. I wanted people to hear the truth. What happened to me actually. And if I'm gonna go ahead and speak today, I want it to be my real voice, my real feelings, and not just a line from a page. Marshal Jacknell, won the badge for a few years, a lot of years actually. Believing meant something actually. Believing it stood for justice, for safety, for trust. But Mr. Drew Edwards, he tried to tear all of that away from me. He didn't just came to me as a marshal. No. He came after me as a man. He tied me down like I was less than a human. He was beating me and couldn't even, breathe. His smile, his laugh, while I was bleeding, was so horrible. And the worst pain wasn't the rope actually, or the knife. No. It was his words, his laugh, his smile while I was actually bleeding. He didn't want to break me as a just as a body. No, he wanted to break me as a soul. Now I'll tell you the truth here. For a moment, I actually believed him. When you're laying on the ground, on the dirt, begging for air, begging for this to stop, you start to wonder if maybe he's right. Maybe no one cares, Maybe justice doesn't mean a damn thing in this world. But then I thought about all the people, the citizens who look to us for protection, families who just, want to raise the children without fear. My deputies, actually, I remember them that day. The deputies who stand beside me day by day, putting their lives on the line. And I realized if I gave in, if he broke me, it wouldn't just be me lost. No, it would be everyone. I survived. Drew did to me. I did, yeah. But I will never be the same. I was lying to myself, to the people that I meet every day. I was going on duty, doing my job, pretending that I'm okay. No, I am not okay. I still see him at the night. I still wake up on his image in my brain, hearing his voice. I still feel the ropes burning my wrist. I still carry the shame of him, knowing that no man should ever be treated the way I was. And this is not just about me. If someone like Drew Edwards can torture a marshal and mock the law and walk free, then what is the hope for the rest of the county? If he can like just strip me of my dignity and face no consequences, then tomorrow it can be you guys, it can be your father, your brother, your mother, your sister, it can be any of you guys. I just want to beg this court, not for vengeance, no, not at all. I don't care about vengeance, but for justice, for the law to actually mean something, for no one else ever have to face or see what I saw. Please don't let this monster be remembered as stronger than our justice. I believe in this county, and I believe in this court, and I believe in you, Mr. Judge. I actually want to show you guys. Go ahead and see, people, what Drew Edward did to my body, my hands.
Jesus Christ.
That's what I was talking about.
How's he alive?
So please, whatever gonna happen today, Drew Edwards, I will never forgive you in my life. Not this life, not the next life. And I wanna congratulate you, actually. I don't know if you're gonna win this court or not. I don't care, actually. But I wanna congratulate you because you already won. When you told me that day that you're gonna burn me from inside out, you did. That's all.
Looks like you got a road map on.
Alright. Thank you for your time, Mr. No. You may go ahead and have a seat over there.
Your Honor, I'd just like to protect the fact that that was off the record, correct?
Correct. It was.
Thank you.
Alright, Councilman, you may continue with your, or begin with your closing statements.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
Read our witness.
Your Honor, people in the audience, I think that we've all been through a lot tonight, but I think more than anything, we've seen what one man can do to another man. Somebody like Marshall Nell, who puts on that badge every single day to protect us, if he's vulnerable to this type of, activity, this type of aggression, then like he said, what's to stop anybody else from being part of that as well? I believe that what you've seen today is an act of just pure evil. There's not even anything that we can say, oh, it was self-defense, or, oh, this was, anything other than just premeditated pure evil. I believe that what you've seen today is that the prosecution, the county, has proven that on the night of August 3rd, 1895, Mr. Drew Edwards did in fact kidnap Marshall Nell and take him to the basement in Valentine and just conduct complete mutilation and egregious acts against his body, his mind, and his spirit. A night that was just ingrained in him forever. That he was able to identify that it was in fact Mr. Edwards that was his assailant during that time, both from his personal interactions and recollection with the defendant previous to that in the numerous crimes that he had committed, but then also in his familiarity with Mr. Edwards, as well as the fact that he was there to help Mr. Edwards bury Mr. Knox that evening. I believe that we also have shown that later on, a few days later, that Mr. Edwards did attempt to disguise himself as a person named Sammy in Saint Denis and revel in the fact of Marshall Nell revisiting the basement and revisiting that site and having to relive the horrors that Mr. Edwards portrayed against him there. And if that wasn't enough to sit there and bask in the glory of what he had done, he then took out a knife and stabbed Marshall Nell in the neck, repeating to him words that only he would know, that I told you I would get you back here again. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't think that there's any question whatsoever that Drew Edwards and Sammy are one and the same. I don't think that there's any question whatsoever that, that Mr. Edwards did, in fact, assault Marshall Nell, not just assault him, but, violate his human rights and violate his rights as a man on not just one but two occasions. I don't think that that's in question any longer. I believe that we've proved that case. I believe that has been proved beyond a reasonable doubt. I think the only matter now is that whether or not Mr. Edwards deserves to continue to breathe the air, or if his life needs to be taken as well.
Thank you, Councilman. Mr. Kane, you may begin your closing statements.
Thank you, Your Honor. What you have heard today is a man, Marshall Nell, with a grudge, a very deep, a very personal grudge. He seemed so caught up on this man that the court let him openly narrate how much he hated our client. Did that seem personal to you? It sure seemed personal to us. A man full of morphine, treated in the hospital, destroyed beyond the point of remembrance, muttering only one name, Mr. Edwards. How can we believe this? What was his state of mind? Have you ever been filleted? Why? We don't know the problems between these two. We don't know why. Every other witness stood up here and gave us answers. Yes, a crime was committed here. That is not in dispute. The defense does not dispute this. The prosecution does not dispute this. The Fine Marshal Nell does not dispute this. The Chief Marshal just does not dispute this. A crime was committed. But what the prosecution has offered to us here today, and you heard it here with your own ears. Sorry, had a hitch in my throat. I'll repeat that last statement. What the prosecution has offered us here today, and you heard it with your own ears, is that he laughed, Sammy laughed, he laughed like Mr. Edwards. We were all brought here today because a man has a similar laugh to Mr. Edwards. What efforts are being made to find this Sammy? What efforts are being made to identify this man who harmed this good, upstanding man, Marshall Nell? We believe that Marshall Nell believes our client did this, but where's the evidence? Should I laugh like this Sammy now? Will I be sent to the noose? Well, I surely hope not. And have they proved it beyond a reasonable doubt? I rest my case, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, everyone can still hear me correctly, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Yep.
All right. The court shall now lay forth the charges brought against the accused, Drew Edwards, under the authority of the Department of Justice and the law of Ozark County. Mr. Edwards, hear the charges laid before you on this day, the 27th of September, 1895, in the St. Denis Courthouse. Their first charge of extortion, that you did unlawfully and with wicked intent seek to force the hand of another through threat and coercion. Your second charge of attempted murder of a capital official, that you did with malice, afore raise arms and endeavor to take the life of one sworn in service to the state.
Your Honor?
Third, yes?
I just want to make it known that my client has already served for extortion charges.
I'm stating the charges. Your third charge of torture, that you did inflict deliberate and grievous suffering upon another soul in violation of all law and decency. And lastly, your charge of kidnapping, that you did seize, bind, and carry off another against their will, holding them deprived of liberty by unlawful means. Should this jury find you guilty upon these charges, it shall be the judgment of this court that you be taken from hence to the town of Blackwater, there to be hung by the neck until you are dead. So stands the law, and so shall it be done. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have heard the testimony and the arguments. The burden of proof rests upon the prosecution. If reasonable doubt remains, the verdict must be not guilty. You shall now retire to deliberate. At this time, the court will take a 5-minute recess and allow the counsels to get some water and use the restroom.
That was a wild case.
Yes.
I need some cheesecake.
Are you feeling okay?
Cheesecake sounds great. You have
You're
it?
very good, Mr. Kane.
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
No water, food.
Chubbs,
Just
Chubbs,
drink something.
I've seen you go to the tailor's office. You do not need any more cheesecake.
I make the
Time to show
cheesecake.
up on runway.
That's so mean. Do you want to?
I have
Look
a
at the
beautiful
outfit.
figure.
Everyone like the
Do
outfit.
you want to go into the next room and take
Come
a
on.
breather and just
Come on, Lulu.
relax? Yeah, let's go.
I'll take that as a yes. Oh, hi, son.
Hello. You okay?
Hey, Archie.
No. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
The door
You okay?
was. Okay.
Yes.
How's the status
Showing
of
off my
Skeeter's
clothes.
train?
You like it?
I like the outfit.
Thank
Do you want to step outside a second?
Yeah, please.
He just wanted me to ask.
you. Anyways, I'm gonna go check my meal while I'm here.
Okay. Be careful.
If I don't come back after recess, I'm probably
After
dead, son.
recess.
Good luck.
Oh.
You think the jury will make a fair judgment?
Pardon me.
Oops.
Free cheesecake at Lamosi's saloon after this.
Oh, bullshit.
Hey, Lamossi.
Does Lamossi know this?
Yeah.
Hey, Lamossi,
Yeah,
can
she
you hear
knows.
me?
She does, but does she
Yeah,
agree
I
to
can
it?
hear it. So I get free cheesecake.
Your
bet.
husband
I
did.
believe, I
Oh,
believe
excuse me, sorry.
she's hearing it for the first time, just like we are.
No, she planned it all day. She was sitting at the saloon and
Not
she
too
was
bad
like,
for
free
his first
cheesecake after the trial.
I don't mind
What-
free cheesecake, I'm telling you.
Dibs.
Where's the cheesecake you keep speaking of?
Chubbs is paying for it.
Be great
Yeah.
with some drinks,
No,
you know?
it's free.
Nope, Chubbs is paying. He's covering
No.
the cost.
No,
Work to be
you
free.
are.
2 slices.
Fuck that.
I sell it $15 a
Yo,
slice.
hey, Jared.
Yeah, she's getting it
Oh
free.
no! Wait a minute. I'm sorry.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Hold
my.
up.
Oh my god.
Hey, Jared.
Hey
You'll
now.
always take me out to dinner first. My
What you
God.
doing to Jared?
What?
Huh?
What
Are you
happened?
talking about?
Nothing.
What happened?
Mm.
Sorry, I got confused.
Oh, so you're
Oh,
getting drunk in a courtroom? Is that a beer bottle?
What?
What's that in your
Who,
hand, huh?
who would drink in a court?
Listen, all right.
I would.
Okay.
I wouldn't dare.
We know.
I would never do such a thing.
Yeah,
Chubbs?
I think so, thank you.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah,
whoever
yeah,
drinks
this
in a
this whole
courtroom
case
is
has been
degenerate.
stressful enough. Please don't add my wife beat me to the damn list of things
Look,
to be
I
done.
don't know
because you're
what
talking,
you're on about.
because you're talking about some goddamn free
Drinking in a
cheesecake.
courtroom.
I mean, she said
Who has the free
cheesecake. You
cheesecake?
gotta make it. Lamossi does down at the saloon.
I want 2 slices.
No, I think she was talking about cheesecake, the cat that's down there at the pound.
Yep.
I have a very absurd thing to say about that, but I don't think I should with women in the room.
You're in a courtroom.
Just that's one of those thoughts we keep on the inside.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that one to myself.
Mr. Kane, not too bad for your first.
Well,
Not too bad, Eddie. Not too bad.
let's
You did
not
a good
start
job.
tooting horns just yet.
No, I'm just saying. Look, regardless
Either
of
way,
how it
you did a
goes,
great
you gave
job.
your best. Great closing statement, closing argument.
Either way, Eddie, you did a good job.
Thank you, Grace. I appreciate you.
It's the soul glow, brother.
Hey, Billy.
Yep.
I should
Shit
put
in your
some Soul Glow
fireplace
on
before I came here.
the prosecution suit.
You son of a bitch.
Flicking. Flicking.
Grease on them?
Yeah, flick some Soul Glow on the suit.
Who's
Good looking
flicking
at
what?
Hey, Chubb.
What?
I'm gonna pee in your display case when we get out of here.
That's fucked up. That stinks.
It's gonna look like a fish tank.
Do it.
Wow.
You keep saying
Why
you're gonna
you
break my
miss
windows.
Oh
Do it.
my god.
You also throw the steel cheesecake, but
Do
that's
it.
not the point.
What? I make the fucking shit.
You make the cheesecake.
Yeah, I make cheesecake.
So we've been here so long. It's night again.
I think.
Do you sell the cheesecake?
I think
You're
I put
handing
enough
out
doubt
cheesecake.
when the jury
No,
said.
Where
she
is this
is.
cheesecake?
It's
Chubbs?
at the saloon
Oh,
in
really?
Valentine for free.
Hey Archie, I got a question
If
for
he
you.
pays for it,
In regards to what?
You cheap
So
son of a
how
bitch.
fast do they?
I am.
Not showing.
Do they
Running the
execute
saloon
like
ain't cheap.
verdicts? Like once they
It's
come
5
in?
minutes.
Casey was missing.
So it'll be quick.
Right. But just like I kept trying to
No,
tell
I mean
you,
like once the
by-
decision's
by
rendered,
doing that,
like it was guilty, like
We'll go.
it
We'll go straight
establishes
there.
motive for you.
oh, yeah. There's no waiting, no appeal
Well,
time.
it just shows that they're incompetent,
Damn.
right?
Right.
So therefore, they don't even know what they're doing.
Unfortunately, in cases like this probably would not.
I don't know. That was my train of thought.
I understand completely.
Yep.
Damn, they didn't even offer him life in prison. They went straight to the noose.
Chubbs, it was nice of you to put on your nice dress shirt to come here today.
Yeah, you're welcome. Listen, I came right from the ranch. Some of us have real jobs, okay?
I mean, he put his gauntlets on. I mean, what more could you want?
He
I'm
is
sorry.
dressed fancy.
I'm sorry.
Those tobacco
Did
stains
you
on
not
your
come
shirt?
to me
gauntlets.
so you could do your job? Is that?
No, I also own a ranch too. Hello.
Did you say that he put his gauntlets on or his gutlets on?
I put my
Either
gauntlets
one.
on.
Yes.
Yeah. I put my nice ones on.
Yes.
Guys,
said
I
yes.
leave.
Why has everybody got a problem with my fucking gauntlets today?
I have a problem
I
with
think
your
they're very
gauntlets.
fashionable.
They do
Thank
seem
you.
a little out of
Thank
place with your outfit, but
It
They
looks
do.
like
It's
you're about to
absolutely-
go
It's
wage
given very
war in
much,
Europe.
You
mismatched.
know, Boomer said the same shit to me
Yeah.
earlier.
It's getting
What a-
cold.
Why you look like you wearing a fucking
It is
dress?
getting cold.
Looks like you're about to
Why do
storm
you
the
look
English
like you're
Channel
about to
in
sword fight me?
1492.
I mean,
I mean, on guard, son of a bitch.
hey,
Present
Hey, we're in
armed.
court, bro. We're in court,
What?
bro.
What
Relax.
about
I'll
court?
challenge each other or to whatever.
I challenge you to a duel.
No, let's not do that.
I'm
I
your
need a
Huckleberry.
glove so I can smack you in the face with it.
How dare you bite your thumb at me, sir?
Oh,
Don't ever talk proper to me like that again. That's disrespectful as shit.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're like two pigs fist fighting over the next piece of shit.
You know what? That's the way I like it.
You're welcome.
Right?
I know what you like.
Yeah.
You
That's
gotta
why
put
I
it. You got to put it in simple terms for him.
Talk
You know,
dirty to me, Billy.
brains were dynamite. He couldn't blow his nose.
Oh wow.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Did you find who that was?
Pinnacle of this goddamn
I
community.
think it was just
I
ear
just get
issues.
slandered everywhere I go.
Your neck will dig, otherwise I'd be able to.
I can't hear you. You got a fucking frog in your throat, Billy.
The
Oh
door's
no.
I had to be a nice tie. I didn't have a big ass neck.
What the fuck did you just say to me?
Oh, it's everybody.
All I heard was
Jesus.
I'm gonna put a hat on just to piss everybody off.
Do we
Don't you
need to
dare.
maybe move some people on?
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, we're back in the
Yeah,
red.
can we... Want me to mum voice them?
Fucking pick
Yeah,
on
won't
Chubb's Day
Let
or
me sit
something.
down, and it won't.
Oh, well.
Not really that many.
All right, Billy. You look like you're gonna fight somebody.
I still might.
What the fuck was that?
It's all the
Just running in a circle.
You want to see me do it again?
Stop it! You're creeping me out when you do that.
Oh,
my
Jesus,
goodness.
I mean,
My
your knees
goodness.
aren't even bending.
We're gonna
when
send
you
some
do it.
lawmen out. We don't need this many.
Okay. Yeah,
I'm sorry,
but it's-
Casey. Love you.
Okay. I broke a bone.
What'd you do? Fall down the stairs?
No, tried to open the door.
The doorknob hit you in the eye. That's unfortunate.
Oh, you're funny. You're funny.
That's crazy. I love that. I love that.
I need to go and get some help. There you go.
You must be this tall
There's,
to
there's
ride
a
the ride.
there's a doorknob imprint at the top of your forehead, Casey. Is that
It's
why?
not a doorknob. He slammed the door into it.
Hey, Crack, I need to make
It
a note
comes
of that
to
key.
my neck, okay? Not the other way.
What the fuck
Wait,
did she
what?
just say?
What?
Necked me.
I don't want to know.
Oh man, that was wild.
Did she just say it necked me?
Oh, shh.
What?
You,
Be careful of the
you don't want
Don't
to
throw
elaborate
the
on
door
what she's
into
saying.
me again.
Is this the biggest case in Ozark County history?
Use your hands and just open it slowly.
Is it?
Yeah, I think this would be the first one to lead to trial and execution.
She's able to put
Yeah.
presents
Roger.
under the Christmas tree just fully standing up.
Put them
That's,
down.
that's crazy.
Oh, sorry,
That's
my bad.
crazy. That's
Behave
blasphemy.
I hear she can walk clean under a carriage.
Casey, come here.
That I'm being discriminated against in here.
Before she was a marshal,
One
she
trial
was
at
a
a
horse
time.
trainer.
One trial at a time.
Okay.
Before she was a marshal, she was a horse trainer. She could clean the hooves just fully standing.
Oh my God, you're an asshole.
Hope she doesn't hear us.
Oh, I'm pretty sure she
what a
can.
cheesehead. Okay.
She uses the railroad tracks as a pull-up bar.
Hey, Archie,
Yes, ma'am.
you and me, we're gonna chat after this.
Oh, you did.
Oh, you're in
Is it
trouble.
Is it just gonna be small talk?
Oh,
Okay.
it'll be short-lived.
Oh, wow.
Just a short conversation.
Oh my God. We're all going to hell.
Great timing.
She's talking to Randy. Me.
I heard when it take long, he's innocent.
Hey, you know what? I've been waiting a whole trial to do this. I just want to let y'all know that I really like guys. Oh, sorry. Yep.
That was nasty.
Yep.
Wow, thanks.
Where's our
Right,
sword?
my
Man.
bad.
Get on.
Oh God.
Man, that fart smells like Ansburg.
Lord have mercy. What do you eat? Dried
Aroma.
beef and
Sounds
drink
like
whiskey
Ansburg is
all
crazy.
day?
Yeah, pretty much.
God damn, your colon must be on fire.
Man, well,
Why? It's
It's taking a long time to deliberate.
it means he's innocent.
You think so?
Shit, he better be.
Somebody just vanished. Oh, somebody just vanished.
Oh, where'd he go?
Yeah, they both just poofed.
Hey,
Jailbreak!
Not
No, I'm
guilty.
kidding. I'm
Yeah,
kidding.
not guilty. That's one way to leave court.
Get sucked into the heavens.
But yes, Chubb said free cheesecake. He's paying for it. So
What the
everybody
fuck?
come on
I
down.
was gonna be nasty. Now I'm gonna fuck up
What?
all your windows.
What? Oh shit.
All of them. Hey, just to let you guys know,
You-
the mossy water's down all over drinks.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking wild.
Wild accusations.
That's fucking crazy.
Sounds like a lawsuit there, Lamasi.
That is so fucking crazy.
It does.
Besmirchment.
Yep.
Jeez.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
What?
What?
Huh?
What?
Why are you talking about Jared that way? Jared,
What?
why would
What are
you
you-
say those things about the
What?
Mossie's
Drew's
alcohol?
free? Yes.
Jared, why didn't you bring cooler pops for everybody?
Yeah, what's going on?
Oh my God! Why am I the one on?
What the fuck, Jared?
Jared,
thought
why
this was an
haven't you
event.
stocked up the saloon in the past 30 days? Huh? The prosecution rests.
First of all, the first 2 weeks I was very active.
Badger and the
You
witness.
know?
It's sustained.
Eat my shorts.
Is that on the
Yeah.
record or off the record?
That is on the record.
That's staying
On the record,
I'll let you
present
know.
the shorts for evidence.
The shorts were eaten.
You want to see his shorts?
Right now.
You don't want
Billy?
to see
Right,
those.
right now.
You don't want to see those.
The shorts were
Oh,
eaten.
Lord.
How can we present them as evidence if they've been eaten?
No, they're
Oh.
not eaten yet.
Why is somebody
Oh.
eating shorts?
Oh, okay.
It's just Billy. He's weird.
I'm the weird one.
Yeah.
You look like you're
I
about
know
to
Billy's
retake
weird.
England.
I can't even talk to you because of your fucking coat. Like every time I look at you, my eyes burn a little bit.
Have at ye, looking at.
Oh shit.
Valhalla's calling, Chubbs. They need their bracers back.
Nope. They can come get him.
This guy's one doubloon away from plundering the harbor in St. Denis.
Listen, if you don't calm down, I'm gonna start walking around with a fucking saber.
Well, I'd have to make it first, but I do have a hatchet if you're interested.
No.
All right.
I'm good.
Good to see you, Drew.
Oh shit! I thought he got out of here.
He almost did.
No, he's still alive.
I was like, just some basic
Come on,
clothing.
look.
The man's
This
some
man
basic
had the opportunity to
Close,
leave and
but
he
no
came back.
cigar yet.
See that integrity? Now, would a killer have that type of integrity? That's all I'm saying.
You got to see it through, my boy.
Gotta see it.
got to see it through.
What's up? I said, what's up?
Yeah, I would like to mention the
Already?
horrible, nasty
Please tell me you're with me on that.
tacos that they give me and the
Okay,
jazzy,
hold on. Wait a minute.
the jazzy
Everybody here likes
juicy
these tacos.
These tacos are like, I don't know. They're filled with
Prosecutor, would it
something.
be wrong to
Are you saying?
give
Are you
the
saying
defendant
you
food?
don't like the
No, go
tacos in Rhodes?
Well, they're full of cobwebs.
Well,
Drew,
now I kind of hope they do hang you, Drew.
Yeah, now you gotta hang.
Let's try
Nobody
this.
talks
Hey,
shit about
whoa.
roads.
Over taco.
Look, you seen
Some guys over tacos? This is
Listen,
When
you
was the last time that you
hold on.
actually ate anything?
I'm so sorry. I was just kidding.
Well, I mean, they fed me rats and
It's a
Rats.
good start.
Stuff like
It's
that.
good
Rats?
protein. It's good
Don't
for you.
mention
Rats,
inhumane.
rats drive
Rats
me
make me crazy.
No, no, please.
Oh, rats with no
Okay,
salt and
please.
pepper, remember? Rats with no salt and pepper.
Rats?
Tell me
Is it
back in a moment.
crazy?
Unseasoned
Crazy?
rats.
Crazy how?
Listen, hey,
Unseasoned rat is just
yeah,
inhumane.
just,
Come on.
I mean,
you know what we do?
Okay, I'm crying myself to sleep tonight.
When we was homeless,
You're welcome.
right?
I'm just,
We used to
I'm
kill
just
like
35
little
minutes.
rats and stuff and stick them on sticks, cook them on
Oh
the
yeah,
fire.
rat on a stick. That's a classic.
Rat on a stick. It's real
Damn,
good.
this jury's taking a minute to deliberate.
And they don't know
but-
what to
but
fucking
these-
do.
but these weren't cooked.
Raw
I
rat
mean,
on a stick.
It's good. Either
No, I
way.
had to catch them crawling
If
into
the
the
rat's
cell.
not raw, where do you stick the stick?
Well, there
Where
was
do
no
you
What are they
think?
talking about in here?
Use your
What
imagination.
the fuck?
Like a rat kebab?
and
Put,
these
put a little
tacos.
potato on it.
Hey,
Shalom is crazy.
y'all ever put squirrel on a stick?
Yeah.
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 I'm
Yeah.
selling some lizard on a stick in the saloon soon.
Is it rat? Oh, I mean,
No, she said lizard.
oh, phew, thank God.
Know your animals. Get your shit together, will you?
This
You both got tails.
Close enough.
Yeah, I can't. Tails, 4 legs, shit. Shorter than me. Rat.
Oh, thank you so much. That's the best meal I've eaten all day. Sorry, Judge, didn't mean to throw
Hey,
that
Drew,
on the
it won't
floor.
be your last, man. That's my faith for you.
Hey,
That's
just
good.
out
I
of
hope I'm right. I hope I'm
curiosity,
right.
if it
I
is
hope I'm
your
fucking
last
right.
meal, what would you pick? What would
Well,
it be?
evidently it was biscuits.
Hey,
and
don't
gravy.
answer that, man, because you're sealing your face if you
Yeah,
answer
they
that.
ain't a
Don't
bad
answer
last
that.
meal.
No, I was just asking you if it had. I don't got no quorum with
Hey,
this
ask him,
guy.
ask him after he's found innocent. Then he can answer.
Okay, what's the difference between innocent and guilty?
Going
If
to getting hung
deciding
and
on
not
his
getting
food.
hung.
Innocent is you're free.
No,
Guilty
hold on,
is you're
hold
dying.
on, hold on.
Zoe.
Jesus Christ, you guys just jumped the gun on everything, don't you? If he's innocent,
Stuck on
he
two
can still
sides
pick
right
his
now.
food. If he's guilty, he can still pick his food. What difference does it make?
The difference is he's not gonna shit one of them out.
No, technically speaking, he's gonna shit them
so
both out at
accurate.
the same time. It's
Oh,
just gonna happen
God.
all at one time.
Oh,
Drew, you want a beer
well,
in the courtroom?
if he's innocent, he can eat slower.
It's
I had
true.
some of
Very
those.
true.
No,
What are they talking
no.
about?
Okay, fair enough.
You want a cigarette?
I mean, I definitely don't have any, but
You want something that makes you hallucinate?
I thought we talked
No,
about drinking in the damn
Not in
courtroom.
here.
what? What do we?
I mean, we've been
It,
smoking
it
the whole
shows that I
time.
don't care, and I'm here. And
I would
would,
never
you know,
drink in the courtroom. What are you talking about?
I mean, you
Yeah,
can
what
smoke
do you-
a cigarette.
But
Nothing
Why,
wrong with that.
why would you accuse people of drinking in a courtroom?
That's just uncouth behavior.
Right, I agree.
I'm not accusing. I'm watching him do it.
I'm
What are you talking about?
It's like,
I
it's
done
like
got
sex
dirty
in the
sitting
champagne
here.
room.
What?
Ain't no
What about
sex in
No,
that.
you can never do that.
No sex in the champagne.
No sex in the champagne room. Yeah.
Why not?
We don't talk
No
about what
sex
happens
Wait,
in the
no,
what?
no
Are you
sex.
scared you're
Smoke
gonna
it
get a
That's a
short
crime.
stick in your butt?
Beg your
I
pardon?
smoked that
They only
very
sell
good.
champagne here in Saint Denis. It's
Yeah,
like
Lulu,
fancy
You
that's
can't
people
do the
juice.
doodly doos.
That's why they call it the penal code.
I can't have sex in a champagne room?
Yeah, you get a cork stuck in your butt.
No, that's not.
Oh.
Apparently,
Motherfucker.
was unaware of
That's
that.
Well,
what
there
they
goes
take.
my evening plans, I guess.
They take.
Excuse me?
Pardon?
It's called corking.
They take their uncorking serious around here.
Never mind, I'm sorry. I will stop talking now. I'm gonna focus on my book.
Can I unhear that?
So
Can I just
crazy.
pretend I didn't hear that at all? I
What?
think I'm
Yeah,
gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna
we
focus on my book.
can strike it from the record. We're in court.
If it makes you feel any better, it makes the same sound as a bottle.
All right, I don't want to know
Pretty
that.
sure there's no
Please, God,
court
stop.
reporter at the
Please.
moment. I
Please,
mean,
God.
even the judges.
And it's just like a.
Can you just like let Drew
You know-
enjoy his last cigarette for fuck's sake?
He is. He's laughing.
why is this
real-
going to be my last?
I don't
Oh,
know.
shit.
It ain't looking good, Drew. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey,
Drew, don't listen to her. You look
you're doing
great for not
fine.
being
You-
84.
You look great in stripes, bro.
I'm 92.
Did you
I
just
thought you
say
were
he looks
106.
good as trash? Is that what you just said?
Nah, in
Mine's
stripes.
the
Why are you
fucking
trying to
age
make
Oh,
me?
okay. Yeah, I was like,
I'll
damn.
ask
Hold
Eddie
on.
when he comes in.
Why are you trying
All
to
right,
make me
hey.
older than I am?
So how do you think you did?
Every day I get a new age.
What?
How,
I'm
do you
popular. I
think your
get so
defense
much
did good?
mail.
I mean,
Where is Eddie?
he did his job, right?
The mailroom.
I mean, yeah.
It's open already.
But what do you think? Do you have the confidence in him that he defended you correctly?
Well, I think he should have showed the effect of how the lawmen are incompetent.
Okay.
As your standby non-lawyer, you know, maybe until they reach a verdict. Maybe we
Indeed.
Maybe we just kind of.
shit about the
Maybe we
court
kind of chill.
system.
What the hell is a standby non-loyal?
It means I'm on standby and I ain't his lawyer.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's
My
pretty
hands on
solid
standby for
response. I'm gonna give it to
something.
Mr. Utah.
Roger that, sir.
He's on
Someone say
standby.
Roger.
We're not sure for what yet, but he is in fact on standby.
I'm
Yeah,
here.
I don't want to mess with this man. He's on standby for something.
I've been here.
He here. and
I would
he's
like to
writing
be a
it.
lawyer. I'm
Been
free
here,
on Tuesday.
standing by.
Hey, are those guys still getting their iron bars that we set up?
You're gonna have to find out after today.
Oh man.
That's a pretty fucked up thing to say, Chubbs.
crazy.
Jesus
That's
Christ.
Fifth?
crazy.
Yeah,
Judd.
that's fucked.
What? I was just what?
Chubb, stop.
What? What?
It's kind of
What?
fucking rude.
Yeah, Chubbs,
What?
get
The
fuck
man
out.
is on trial and could potentially be hung, and
Man
he's
is
trying to make
literally
business
facing-
deals.
He's staring down the hallways of
Hey,
his last
look,
hour.
I'm just
Give
saying,
him a break.
That's a
Let
big
him-
set. That's a big set of fucking nuts. I'd do
Chubbs,
it. Fuck.
quit fucking up my flow.
I'm not fucking up your flow.
Quit
I'm
fucking up
just
my
saying.
flow.
He's on standby for his flow, Chubbs. Don't mess with his flow.
And anyway, as we were saying
That's the most
before,
brain rot
yes, they're getting their iron
conversation
bars,
I've
but
ever
that's
heard
not
in
the
my
point.
life.
You are
Good.
brain rot.
Man, I think Eddie might
Chubbs.
be stuck at the train station, man.
What?
Song.
Come over here and give me a smooch.
Yeah, Eddie ain't
Not
coming
with one
back.
fucking eyeball.
go.
That's weird.
Hey, yo,
Okay,
wait.
well, my son coming out gay. Love that for him. Guys, give him a
Oh.
clap.
Mitch,
Give him the
Oh, he's gonna get the clap if he
Yeah.
messes with
Wow.
Chubbs.
Hey, man, whoa.
Well, hey, you never
Give him
know.
applause. Applause.
my God.
Applause for him. He's
Passing
coming
out
out
clap
of the
like
closet.
cheesecake
You
in
just
here.
said he had the clap though.
No.
What the
Chubbs.
Applause.
Said give him the
Everybody
clap.
here
I'm
is
a
in
little
agreement that you have
concerned.
the clap.
I said
Okay.
applause.
Hey, whatever makes you sleepy at night, all right?
Usually
Get
the
some more
rain.
cheesecake, Chubbs. It won't
What
hurt.
about
Chubbs,
what about you?
Chubbs, does it jiggle?
Yo, is this a
She's trying
hung
to give you a
jury?
heart attack.
Oh, the judge is back.
The
All right,
front
here we go.
jiggles and the
Oh,
back
here we go,
jiggles.
Hey, shut the hell up.
Don't talk to me that way. Say please.
Please shut the hell up.
up.
Okay, I can do that.
Thank you very much.
I do believe that the defense is on his way back in.
Oh, my seat!
Jiggle, jiggle.
My
So,
mistake.
I'd like to see it. Look.
Yay!
How you gonna stand on the pew and not be taller than me?
Alright.
Yeah, that's man. Eddie Kane.
What?
Okay, that was.
Shush!
Yeah.
All right. Order, please.
Please don't do that.
Yeah, whoever did that, you're an idiot.
Yeah.
Or a fat cheesehead.
Hey, you got someone that's sober?
Fat Jesus?
Nah,
I said
man.
a fat cheesehead,
It's-
you
it's-
turtle.
work.
Jesus.
Fucking call me a turtle.
Yeah, I did.
You look fine, man.
At least I
Just
can
finish
see
strong. Finish strong, man.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Enough with the hot stuff. I'll get you
Mr.
later.
Foreman, has a jury reached a verdict?
Your Honor.
What was that? Sorry, you cut out for me.
Sorry, can everybody hear me?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
We have, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead and state that for me, please.
Your Honor, Chief Justice Bloodrain, we, the jury of Ozark County, have weighed the testimony, the evidence, and the solemn duty placed upon us, do now render our verdict in the case of the Department of Justice versus Drew Edwards. On the charge of CF9 extortion, we find the defendant not guilty. On the charge of HF4, attempted murder of a Capitol official, we find the defendant guilty. On the charge of HF7, torture, we find the defendant guilty. On the charge of HF11, kidnapping, we find the defendant guilty. Thus, in all court counts, we return the verdict of guilty in the charges of HF4, HF7, HF11, and not guilty in CF9.
Oh my.
Thank you.
Oh no.
The verdict of the jury is hereby recorded on this day, the 27th of September, 1895, in the St. Denis Courthouse.
Your Honor, based on the nature of the crimes, the jury's verdict, and the propensity of Mr. Edwards to repeatedly conduct violent crimes and as a flight risk away from from escaping the jail and from possibly fleeing the county, the people would like to move for for life in prison or execution by hanging, but we would leave it up to the verdict of the judge based on the recommendation or the desire of the defendant to choose his own fate based on this. But if he does get sentenced to Sisika, I believe that he should be placed in a maximum security cell where no escape would be possible.
Give me one moment. All right. Mr. Edwards, you have stood before this court, judged by 4 of your peers, and the verdict has been delivered. On the charges of attempted murder of a Capitol official, torture, and kidnapping, you have been found guilty. On the charges of extortion, you have been found not guilty. The crimes you have committed are of the highest order of wickedness, acts against man, against law, and against the peace of this county. You sought to bend others to your will through fear. to spill the blood of those sworn to uphold justice, to cause cruel suffering, and to rob a soul of their liberty. Such offenses cannot and will not be forgiven in this court. It is therefore the sentence of this bench, under the seal of the Department of Justice and the law of Ozark County, that you, Drew Edwards, be taken from this place to the gallows of the town of Blackwater. There upon the appointed day you shall hang by your neck until you are dead. May God have mercy on your soul, for this court shall not. At this point in time, court is adjourned. Marshals, you may step in.
Let's go, Mr. Edwards.
Oh my god.
I need everybody. I need everybody.
you, Drew.
And I need everybody in the stands. Do not move. Y'all need to wait until I escort this man out. Let's go, Mr. Edwards. Get to walking.
I'm sorry.
Follow me.
Back down to the wagon.
Follow me.
Drew, I
A
love you.
little bit of respect, sir.
Follow
You
me,
want
Mr.
some
Edwards,
cheesecake
please.
for
Mr.
the
Edwards, let's
road?
go.
Sorry, Drew.
True love.
You got what you fucking deserve.
Meet
Hey,
outside.
real
please.
quick, does anybody want to
no,
talk about
no,
that last
step,
meal
not the
type
time,
thing?
brother. Step away.
Yeah,
Let's
we
go.
did it. We did
Only
it.
the
now, it's all
marshals.
right.
So
We got it.
it's over now, okay?
Oh my god.
Damn, they finna hang my boy.
Who's gonna make the bare feet?
Are we going to the...
Hey,
I think
Billy.
we're going to Blackwater, right?
Yeah.
So, how's
Blackwater
business going?
Hey, Eddie, good shit, man.
Pretty good.
Please wait, guys. Please wait till the marshals
right here,
leave.
Mr.
Like I wasn't even there.
This way, Mr. Edwards.
Follow me, please.
Thanks, girl.
Follow the.
The jury, you're excused as well. Mr. Utah, you're excused. Mr. Jared and the Ozark Medical, you're excused.
Freedom.
Mr. Kane, you are excused. Thank you for your time.
We're probably gonna die on the way out of here. I'm just saying.
No, we're fine. Confidence, Chubbs.
Oh, I'm confident. I'm confident that we're probably gonna die at some point.
Why?
'Cause that's
Thank
the
you
way
all
life
for your time, and I'll be heading over to Blackwater.
Hey, Judge, that rope really pretty down there.
Oh my god, Chubbs. I swear to God.
Damn, man.
You need to shut up sometimes. Yeah.
Why would it do such a thing?
Damn,
Say some
man.
crazy shit.
Well, look at me. I'm fucking crazy.
You presented a good case there, Counselor.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
you as well. You as well.
Innocent man hangs today.
Good work. Good
Head
work.
to Blackwater.
Jared, can you lead on the alpha howl?
Lulu, I swear to God, no. No.
Jared, please.
Jared, don't.
Jared, if you don't let a howl go right now, I don't know that we can follow you.
Casey, what the fuck?
I'm taking this horse.
Yeah, let's go, Lulu.
How is it? How is it? How is it that she rode into a group of people?
Well, if you don't, let me know.
You
No, there's steps
Yeah.
The horse disappeared.
You actually want to be there?
Can't run in this fucking
Yeah.
thing.
Can't believe you brought that up into court, Jack Neal. Let me out of here.
I'm the one who's missing skin, woman.
Still. Can't put that up in the air.
not very sober right now. So
You're right,
Roger
Jake.
that, ma'am.
Allegedly.
I said Roger that.
yeah. So hopefully meeting you, Harold. You
No.
seem like a great guy.
Now I've got
Well,
really fancy
nice to
now,
meet
so-
you again, Lillian.
Yeah. You okay? Here.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have some of that.
Hey, we gotta get all of this stuff out of that apartment.
I'd still put your long guns away.
I mean, yeah, I hate Drew's gonna get hung, but love a hanging. Yeah, it's a great time.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Hey, you got a beer?
Oh, I got tequila right
Hey,
here.
Hey, you guys want a Utah Pork Fire Ale, huh?
No, here, I got tequila for
hot
you.
off of the... Hey, okay, I'll take a tequila. Hell.
There you go.
Okay, that was the nicest thing you've ever done to me.
That's not even true.
did the
what
best you
fuck?
could, Eddie.
You're about to
I'm
hit me. See,
always-
you're
Thank
gonna
you.
take
It's
it
not
back.
your fault.
You were already you were thinking about
The
it.
hell?
I mean,
Is
it's
that my wife up there?
I mean, it's kind of your fault, Mr.
You like
Kane.
that, wouldn't you? I'm walking
No.
away now.
Okay. Jesus.
No, why would I like that?
I don't know, because you keep talking about it.
Me, Casey,
It's like
Nell, Jared.
What?
Guess it. He's probably gonna pull the lever, Kronk. Oh, I'm not saying that it isn't. How do you think,
Hey, honey.
you think Drew was in the war?
Oh, I can't see you.
This poor horse looks like
I
he
reckon we should
needs
probably.
food, water.
He seems about fine to me,
Yeah,
but I'll
how
give
old
No.
him some.
I hear you.
187.
Just
There you
can't
go,
see.
sure. I'll bill you on your next bill. Go.
That horse is
No,
shitting.
he needs
Well,
water.
Not a day
He
over
needs
94.
water.
Is Drew
Wait,
up
no,
there
he looks
already?
good now. What the fuck?
You do
Wait, no,
seem a
no,
lot
never
older,
mind.
though.
That was just.
Or is he still being transported here?
That's a wisdom.
Go get water.
I'll go give him water.
You don't see me, do you?
Nope.
You might have to come down.
Let me do a little jig.
Are they bringing him by paddy wagon?
Yep.
Yeah, I believe so.
Pardon me.
All right, good jig.
Oh, what's up, Eddie?
Eddie Kane.
Yes, sir.
Thought that was you. Got a eagle on you?
No, it's my raven.
Can you see me?
Does it
No.
say never
My
more?
bad.
Oh,
Mr. Eddie King.
That's,
Oh my
that's
God.
Oh, Dilly.
because my raven's name is Edgar Allan Poe.
Your Raven's name is Edgar Allan Poe.
Close your
How do
eyes.
you go
Right.
from lawyer to like Undertaker that fast?
Nevermore.
He's got to top it up.
Put the hat on with it. I gotta see it. Definitely a funeral director. I feel you. Dress for both, just in case. Smart man.
Can you see my wife around here anywhere? I can hear her. I just can't see her.
No, I can't see her at all. I don't even hear her.
I'm right here.
Oh, I can hear her now.
She's right here.
I hear Lola
Okay.
too, but I can't see her.
Yep,
either.
I can't see Lola
You
either.
can't see me? I'm right here.
I can't see you. Sorry. Maybe they're in our head, man. Maybe we made the whole thing up.
I like your thoughts.
As long as my wife is here,
You're
in
welcome.
spirit at least.
I'm here.
I can't even watch this.
An armored wagon.
Man, you know what? I'm gonna
I'm in all black.
Pass me on the way here.
to hang a man at sunrise, at least some type of respect, ain't it?
Yeah, I suppose. You get to
There's a
see
lot
the.
of people here. I don't know if we can see the hanging with this amount of people.
Yeah.
Sorry, my horse kicked you. I'm so sorry. You know,
still
he
get to
just
see
came out
the-
of
All
training.
right.
People in my eyes.
Find the
look.
sunrise in Ozark County.
You know what?
Yeah, I can see
will say
everybody.
this: Drew gets to go out the way.
Yeah, but once they come
Arthur
in,
Morgan went out
hopefully it
at
doesn't cause a
sunrise.
lot of head pop issues.
Yep.
You know, when I first got to county, and I got that first lumberjack shop in Strawberry, Drew was the one that came and set me up.
Yeah, Tim.
He was back in February. It seems like it was so long ago.
Seeming like ages ago at this point.
Yeah. Well, about 4 dead horses ago.
Yeah, ages ago.
I mean, it's kind of poetic. Listen, you got a guy playing the guitar. You got the sun coming up. The whole town's here. I'm here to see what his last words are going to be.
It just confirms that this shit's really about to happen.
For my delusions, I hope he proclaims my love.
Okay, he also says,
Okay,
I love you,
Lulu.
Lulu, and then gets hung. That's kind of poetic.
It's like a nice, dark, romantic, poetic moment.
I mean, look, yeah, I'm with it.
Thanks for supporting my delusions.
Man, thanks to Miss Cat Soap, available in San
Lulu, this ain't about you right now, okay? Call him up there.
There's too many people here.
Alright, guys. I'll be the one to leave. Because I can't handle this. AKA. Yeah, why
Alice is
not?
going to
I can
commence.
use Twitch in the eye. Come on, people! You on the horses, Vamoosh! Let's go! You're on the horses, Vamoosh!
Don't worry, I got a twinkle in my eye for those who can't see.
So why is everyone here?
Because everyone likes the live concert.
Hey, sir, can I get you to leave Blackwater?
Did I miss
Please,
a
thank you.
concert?
Oh, there she is.
Yep, I'm in all black.
Oh man, that's a nice outfit, man.
Wait.
What's up? What's up, Eddie?
I can see her now.
Did you have that outfit already?
Oh no, I made it real quick. Threw it together real quick.
You turned into quite the fashionista. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to ignore you. How you doing, my good friend?
It's all good.
I know.
You don't recognize me, do you?
I mean, not without the white shoes and silver tie.
Chubbs.
How much you got from that?
It's still very much Todd.
Nobody.
Okay, so I got a reputation to keep. Gotcha.
Hey, Eddie Kane.
Yes, sir.
Would you rather get hung at sunrise or sunset?
I mean, does it matter?
I mean, at least you get some kind of choice. I don't know.
Oh man.
Hey, Eddie Kane, do you think that I'm a sunrise or a sunset?
That sounds like a flirtatious question.
It is.
You're a sunset, most definitely.
Yep, I think you can sunset on these nuts.
More of a sunrise guy, you know. Best time to cut trees, man.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, but
Why do I keep looking like I'm
Yeah.
about to fight somebody?
just run back for a short time. You disengage from whatever it is.
I never
Okay.
thought you'd find somebody who dressed just as well as you, Mr. Eddie Kane.
I'll tell you what.
I think she dresses better.
I hope she does. Nope, you're just a feisty little something.
It doesn't work.
I told you she's a wild card.
I always knew Drew as a nice person.
So.
Yep.
Hey, I heard a rumor that Drew really ran away and they don't know where he is. That's why it's taking so long.
Dude. The sand pit story.
Well, I can only wish.
Wouldn't that be some shit?
So quiet.
Oh fuck! Who invited you?
It's always
Anybody want
quiet
my
for
taco?
hanging.
Holy shit. So, how's
Guys,
everybody's day?
Just make sure you don't cross this line, okay? Just stand here. Right?
Okay. Aye,
Thank you so much.
Okay. It's the gun line, boss.
Thank you, sir.
The gun line.
Jesus Christ.
Don't you cross the gun line.
Hold on, we gonna hang him then shoot him, or shoot him and then hang him, or just hang him?
Yes.
What's your number?
In my mind, I'm number one.
But thank you. Sir.
Always.
Willie Earl.
I'm Will Earl. Nice to meet you.
Chubbs.
Oh, you know, I ain't gonna do it.
I wonder what Drew, what's his last words gonna be?
Oh, yeah, what's your ID?
What's your ID?
Casey. You want some tequila?
This one I'm drinking.
Billy, shut the fuck up.
Ain't nobody talking to you. Why don't you mind your fucking business?
Lillian, go fucking
Anyway,
somewhere else.
Casey, you want some
No.
tequila? Huh?
Oh, I'm already falling down the stairs.
Yeah, but maybe it'll, you know, double negative. Maybe tequila will help you walk up the stairs. I don't know.
Maybe.
Okay.
Is it
It's free
your-
range.
Your cool
It's-
one? Like maybe, yeah.
Not-
269.
I'm not giving you any of my cool stuff.
Come on, just one.
No.
You know what? Fuck
Mr. Kane, you still need that soul glow?
You know I could just cuff you and take you.
It is.
I'm gonna take it now.
You do the same thing. I'll do it and take all your cookies.
I know you
An eye patch.
I don't want that for it.
What is your number?
Oh, Johnny done ate it too much off the drink.
27.
I think it's fitting.
What one did you give him?
I woke up with my eye missing.
A frog?
No, yeah, you want some of that? Chubbs, do you have an extra one?
It's a small fucking world, ain't it?
The skeeter stuff?
No, I don't
Enough
have
with the
anything on
short jokes, okay?
Alright.
Oh, he's got to take a nap. Yep, good night.
Oh. Who's this?
Hey, congrats again on buying
Might be.
the stable in San
You
Antonio.
don't have any
I'm
of
Todd
this
Derry.
Thank you. I bred my
What
first
cool one are
horse. Guess what his name is?
I don't know. Horse, little horse.
It's
I used to.
Willie.
Here they come. Here they come.
Here.
Hold on to here.
Did anybody ask you what he wanted for his
Silence.
last
He's free. Oh.
Yeah, I told you
What
you
the
was
hell?
gonna get one.
Check their, check their.
Hey, I have one of those wagons.
Man,
You
possessed.
would've told me to stop talking. I was gonna help the guy out and be nice. But Chubb, right?
I told you it was the gun line.
Mister, you got a pretty gun.
Can you move the wagon, please?
You my boy, Drew.
Yeah, I can do it.
Oh, please.
Never forget you, Drew.
So just hold up a second.
Oh, stay behind the line, behind the line. Ethan, behind the line, here. Go back. Back this
I
way.
can't imagine what that walk up those stairs must be like.
That would be fucking crazy. Fucking smash right on the ground.
Yo, watch where you point that thing, mister.
You'll be alright. I got good gun control.
You want me to shoot the rope?
You sound pretty confident saying that.
I've been drinking all fucking day.
I'd like to keep my other eye.
Drew looking like, let's get this shit over
Cuff
with.
you, 'cause I will.
I mean, he got close to poking me in the
I'm
face with it.
talking to you.
I don't need to lose another eye.
I'm pointing right here.
Alright,
the
guys.
blue shirt.
Let's relax here.
Yeah, the big one.
Listen here, short stack. All right, I'm not running into doorknobs with my face.
No,
God
just with
forbid
your
this ain't
belly.
a social guy.
Yeah,
Somebody's about to
yeah,
get hung.
that's right. I
Just
picked the lint
bounce.
out of it. Yeah, say something now.
That's so gross.
I'm gonna make this shit awkward.
I think you already did. Yeah, nailed it.
Billy likes to stick his finger in my belly button.
Yeah,
Can
I'm
I
not
do it
surprised.
next?
Knowing Billy, I'm not surprised. I really shouldn't have eaten. Damn.
Son. Don't believe what you read or what you hear. As you seen and as you heard, you were around the foot truck. He was all lost. That Sammy guy
If they hang me,
that went to Valentine, that was part of our family, or soon to be part of our family, that went to Valentine
really trying not
and
to
enjoyed that other family out in Val.
What kind of world is this where they hang a 90-year-old man?
This one?
He's damn near dead. Like, you could just throw him in a cell.
He's talking. He's talking.
Look into it.
He just turned 96 today.
Just know.
Jesus fucking Christ, I wouldn't want to live that long.
I love you. Always will.
You won't.
And I'll always be right there behind you. Where's your sister?
Wow, he ain't talking to us. You did good, Eddie.
It don't look like it.
Yes, that's why I asked for it.
I reckon they the line, honey.
But you've always looked. I've always looked to you as my real daughter. And just remember, what you hear, what you read,
My mistake. It's
is not all true. Look into it. Look into when the law took our property up north. And that guy named Sammy was there with us.
I feel bad for him.
Me.
Excuse me, sir.
Me, Teddy, and
Yes, sir.
Sammy. We were all up there when the law took our family, our family residence.
You want to speak to him?
Look into it. Just know.
Okay.
I love you. I will always be with you.
Jesus Christ.
Let it go.
Always something.
Don't ask me how I run my businesses.
I will always be with you. I will always. Oh no! Don't! No! No! No!
Why they tying Casey up?
Why are they tying
No.
Casey?
Because she went to go. She was talking to Drew, and then she was
I
starting
asked
to walk
Eddie.
down the
I
stairs,
mean, I
and then
asked,
she went to the guard and was talking to
Roger.
him. And
He told me to hold on.
oh, where? What? Where's
they-
Drew taking Casey?
What are they doing?
What?
It's okay.
Hey,
Free my
it's still
mans.
time. Go strike that business deal real quick.
Maybe they're having a conversation.
If you
Yeah.
say
Marshall can't
Maybe.
take all of us, right?
I mean, she's the marshal, but it's also his daughter.
oh, died in an air balloon.
Maybe Juddy could help you out more than me.
I can't believe I just said that.
I'm just a deputy.
He gone now.
Yeah.
Why do they have her tied up?
I thought he was going to dump her off the edge.
Yeah, I kind of thought that was
so
gonna
too.
happen. I was gonna be like, man, she's so ouch. Why you throwing the ground like this?
Set it down gently.
So accident prone.
Well,
This is so violent. Why are we doing this?
Uh-oh. Casey.
No. Give.
I say you go speak to Juddy there, Eddie.
Hey, who's thinking behind me?
So where was all this emotion from her in court?
Can you
That's all I'm saying. He seems emotional now. Where was this
can you
on
tell
the stand?
either Liam or the judge?
Yeah, let me go get Juddy.
I don't know about you, but if I was standing up there with no, why are you touching my butt? Okay. All right.
I will always be with you. Go with your brother.
Tied up, I'll be fucking running.
Let me go.
I mean, getting that anyways. It's all with the bang. Literally.
Eddie,
Come on, Musty.
you did a fine job.
Drew, I just want to say I'm so sorry. I wish I could have.
Shut up.
Done more for you, man. I just
Shut up. Don't talk like that. Just like I told Casey. When they took our land up north, it was me, Teddy, and Sam. Just make sure that everything gets pulled in the right direction moving forward. I've lived my life. I'm 186 years old. You know?
I fucking knew it.
Sure,
It's
you were just
okay.
96 this morning.
Don't listen to him, Drew. You can be whatever age you want, buddy.
I'm good. All right. You've been my family. You take care of Miss Cat for me.
You have my word.
Mossy. Take care of Miss Cat. My son. My daughter. They'll also take care of Miss Cat. Just know, they'll always be with you.
Yep. It's not goodbye, Drew. See you later.
I'll be sitting on your left shoulder while your
Yes, cool.
oversized rat sits on your right.
Okay, it's a raven.
Oh, man. That was uncalled for, really.
That was brutal. I guess it is a man's dying last words.
Who the fuck told me? Shut up.
Miss Lulu, wherever you're at, I do love you.
We love you, Drew.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know you.
Thanks for always being kind to me, Drew.
Indeed.
Drew,
Just
you
an
remember
old
we
man.
went to the sand pit?
I'll always
Good time,
talk about
bro.
you, Drew.
Yes, the sand pit. Make sure you share that sand.
I don't know.
Don't be greedy.
Well, we can talk about that later.
Bye, Drew. The West Side will always love you.
You gonna pull that lever? You gonna put a rope around my neck, or what are you gonna do? You just gonna stand here all fancy? Yeah.
Hey, little Billy.
Bye, sweet cheeks.
You know you ain't gonna be able to talk to people.
Does it take all these people on the roof to hang a man?
That's crazy.
Oh, okay.
They gotta come watch this.
It's my tax dollars at work.
Yeah, yeah.
Are y'all ready?
Speaking of taxes, I gotta pay that. Thank you for reminding me.
Yeah, you might want
I can't
to
watch
do that,
this.
but not hang you for
All
that,
right,
too.
ladies and gentlemen, today, Drew Edwards has been found guilty of attempted murder of a Capitol official, kidnapping, and torture. This is his sentence by the Chief Justice of Ozark County.
Same laugh, huh?
Oh my god.
He gonna be okay.
Damn, man.
No, Silas, they just broke his neck.
Oh.
So somebody call a doctor, bro.
I think they just pronounced him dead.
No, like do
Damn.
the opposite of that.
Yeah, heal him,
Pronounce
doc.
him alive.
What if he just did a...
Maybe he has a strong neck.
Has anybody ever been hung twice?
Okay, that was. What the fuck did you get?
He's been pronounced dead. We're gonna move him.
He's gone,
Drew
brother.
and Tonto popped up. It's like a. It's like fucking weirdo reincarnation. I like Tonto, but I don't know that I would have made that.
See you
deal.
tomorrow, Eddie.
All right then.
Oh shit! Let it go!
I'm
Let it
gonna
go!
life out of here.
I've had enough of this day.
Nah, you just blow his shit smooth off of that.
Uh,
You want me to?
Let's just say